ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ ಮೊದಲಿಗೂ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರ
ಒಂದು ಅದನ್ನ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್ Straight. ಹೌದು ಅಯ್ಯಾಗ ಒಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Court officer. Court officer.
ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಸರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸದ್ಯ ಹೋಗಿ ನಂಗೇನ್ ನಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು ಧಾರವಾಡ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್
Court officer.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು ಧಾರವಾಡ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್
Nobody, no court officer.
ಏನಿಲ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅತ್ತಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ನಮ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೇನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಮ್ದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೇಕ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಟೇಕ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ನಾವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ
ಸರ್
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಲ್ವಾ? Portal is muted. Portal muted. Avra ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Portal is muted. Set on this round here. Okay. Total is muted.
Your Lordship, mic is muted.
Your Lordship's audio is muted, Lord.
Your Lordship's mic is muted. To switch on the mic.
VC, please wait. I'll come back to you. Yes. Why you were today? Correction. See, 1 minute. Then a correction andralla. We referred it to the third empire also. Allu illa nimdu. Freezement. I saw on the VC. I saw the proceedings. Whether I said anything about defreezement, I have not said about defreezement. So beyond that, what evidence? Third empire go refer madaitu anta hellill. ಅದು ಏನಾರ ಇರಲಿ, I have not passed any order with regard to that. You file an IA for clarification, we'll clarify. But without hearing the other side, then I will not do that. Sunil Rao appear ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಹೌದು ಎಲ್ಲ. I told you, beyond third empire what? Matches are won or lost by that, sir. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಇರಲಿ. ಕೊಡಿ, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. IA ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ. ನೋಡಿ FR ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ. ವೇಟ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟಾ ಕೊಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ವುಮನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ವುಮನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಯು ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ವೇಟ್ ದೆನ್. ಎಸ್. ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ 2 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಸ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು? ಕೊಡಿ. FR ನಂಬರ್ ಅದೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೆಮೊ ಹೋಗೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್. FR ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್, ನೋ ಡೇಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? FR ನಂಬರಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫಾಲ್ಸೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, Oh, then there is no urgency at all. He is getting married. Oh, they've already said ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ. 138 proceeding. Okay. Don't you think you are peaceful? Oh, so wife has asked NOC, is it? Only then I will get married. Kodi, yes. No. Friday. I can't go back that way. Wait. Yes. ಯಾವತ್ತಿದೆ ಫ್ರೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್? 3/9ಗೆ ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. 29th 28th ಹಾಕಿ. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಮೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಓ ದಟ್ ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆರು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕೊಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲ, GM ತಾನೇ ಅದು. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ, ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ನಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. No, 31st Saturday. Give it. Yes. I'll come back to you. Wait. Split charge sheet ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ September will take all these covered matters. Going abroad where? America. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್, ಏರ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್, ಎಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಬಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಹಾಕಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಅಮೆರಿಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. 1 minute ಕಡ್ಕೊಡು. ಏನ? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟಿನಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಅದು ಕಳಿಸಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದು 3 ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಸರ್. ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ರೀಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ರೀಕಾಲಿಂಗ್? ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್. ರೀಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್. ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ವಿಮೆನ್ ಅನ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಮದರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್. ಓ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಡ್. FR ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರ? ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹ್ಮ್ 353 ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಬಿಡಿ. Wednesday, yes. You end of the list ಬೇಕಾ? ಆಯ್ತು. If I will take it, but it's your responsibility to get the matter. Yes. ಎರಡು ಯಾಕೆ? ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಾ. 4 weeks back, how can I insist? ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ. ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗಾ ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್? FR ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಸರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್ now tell me. Fresh matters give Monday or Tuesday. FR ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ. Give all the fresh matters. Fresh matter. End of the list you want. Then wait, sir. Give it. Yes. Yesterday you moved the matter. What happened? There is one more food safety violation. Yes. Okay. Fresh matter. FR number. Comply matter. Yes. Where? When is ordered? You want end of the list? Give it Tuesday. Yes. Astral car release ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Yes. ಯಾವ್ದು BMW ನಾ? Then what is the nexus? Crime? That's the nexus. Nexus, and you have a Lexus car. Okay, fine. Yes. All right. Give it. Yes. ಅದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? Next. You have come in now, so wait. Yes. I know. Give it. Friday. Next Friday. Yes. 1780 covered. 2 weeks. Yes. Memo ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. Last week ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Oh, multi-layer fraud. Okay. I'll give it. Yes. No. Wednesday or Thursday it will come. Yes. Wednesday or Thursday will give. Yes. Thursday illa, Wednesday or Friday. Yes. Which year, madam? 22. That's all. Next Tuesday, haki madam. Entry mode is there. 2 weeks. What happened? Yenna. You said the selection process is it? It's kodi. You should not lose your employment. Give it. Yes. We'll take it on next Friday. Kodi. CBI investigation. Adu ashte. Next Friday. Settlement, when do you give it? All right. When is the date? What? On 11th. Give it. We'll post it on 30th or 31st. Give it. Wife has lodged a complaint. Correct. Matrimonial dispute. Who has the custody? Who has the custody of the child? Why did you take it away from the mother? 363 straight away gets attracted. Own child, maybe, sir, but the custody is with the mother. Let's see, give it. Yes. Not Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, madam. What's the offense, madam? Next Monday. Good. End of the list. All right, give it. We'll take it, give it. FR, comply ಮಾಡಿ. Memo only for compliance, give it. Yes. Comply ಮಾಡಿ first. Yes.
Your Lordship, may I submit?
Urgency ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. Now they will raise. Once it goes for scrutiny, they will raise. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಥಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಈಗ? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. ನೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ. FR ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ವೆನ್ ಡು ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸರ್? ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದು. ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟ್ ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಏನಾದ್ರು. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಧರ್ಣೇಶ್.
Your Lordship, may I submit? Your Lordship?
ಏನು?
This is, I am advocate for R2 and R3.
ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ.
Vacating stay.
ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ.
Adjournment ಅಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. It is memo for posting has been given by my colleague
right.
there.
ಆಯ್ತು.
I request your Lordship to kindly post it on next Friday soon.
That we'll see.
30.
Yes.
Already I have given the memo there.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಎಸ್.
Kindly post it for 30th.
All right. Call the cases. Yes.
Much obliged.
Being spoken to. ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ತಪ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯಾವ 313? ಹಾ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು? ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದು ಇದೆಯಾ? 3131 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. should see what is this. Yes, ಆಯ್ತು, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಲತೀಫ್, ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್. List on Wednesday in the fresh matters list. Yes. Respective counsel is here. Yes, sir. Learned counsel so and so submits that he has entered appearance for so and so, registered to print the name of so and so. Yes. List the matter. When do you want? List the matter on September the 5th, 2024. Yes, next.
Seal number 4.
Freezing of the account of the petitioner, my lord. The first respondent to freeze the account as based on the.
Yes, madam.
My lordship.
What is the reason for freezement?
My lordship, altogether have committed the offence, my lordship.
Who together?
Accused number 1 hand over the amount to accused number 3, my lordship, 2,50,000 rupees.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
2,50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, my lordship.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಲೀನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
Yeah, it's lean.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Will defreeze the account marking a lien on the amount. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? How do you say account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ?
Because if they are going to the bank, my lord, you wrong the amount. The so much the bank has.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
Hello, actually.
Lien of 2,50,000.
Communication, my lord. Can you see when is it deemed?
ಆಯ್ತು, we will decide that. You want defreezement of the account, we will do it. The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order of freezement of his account. Calling in question an order passed by the concerned court rejecting an application filed under section 451 and 457 of the CRPC seeking defreezement of the account. The learned HCGP on instruction should submit that the money trail with the accused leads to the account of the petitioner, where rupees 2,50,000 is said to have been deposited. If that be so, the entire account cannot be defreezed. Pending further orders to be passed by this court pending further orders to be passed by this court, the account shall be permitted to be forthwith, the account shall be defreezed forthwith, subject to marking of the lien on 2,50,000 in the account of the petitioner, subject to, until further orders. Yes. List on 25th September. Next. Request some time. Why? At the request of the Land Council appearing for the petition, list the matter after 2 weeks. The registrar is directed not to list the matter prior to the expiry of 2 weeks. Next.
Offences under Essential Commodities Act under 420 and 34 of the IPC.
Affidavit ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿತಲ್ಲ ಶಮಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರ್
ಏನ್ ರೈಸ್?
Rice. Police seizes the lorry along with the food grains and then he registers a complaint.
That is permissible.
Nadathing.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ?
Ground without warrant, without any search warrant, seizure warrant.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್?
ನೋಡಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರೇ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಅದು FIR ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಕಿಚ್ಚಲನ್ನು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ನೋಡಿ ಪಡಿತರ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ
ಪೇಜ್ 18.
18. I think it's dated 10/9/2023. ರಾತ್ರಿ 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ
ಠಾಣೆಯ ಸೋನ್ಸೋ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ
ಈಚರ್ ಗುಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಕಿ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ತುಂಬಿಸಿ ಮಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಬಿಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ನಾನು ಬಿಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ವಾಹನವನ್ನು ಚಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವೈಎನ್ ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆಯಿಂದ ಲಿಂಗದಹಳ್ಳಿ ಪರಶುರಾಮ ಮಾರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿರುವುದಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದನು. ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಹನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಲೋಡನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಹನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಚೀಲಗಳು ಲೋಡ್ ಇರುವುದು ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿತು. ಅಕ್ಕಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಚೀಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿ ಅವುಗಳು ಬಾಯಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸದರಿ ಚೀಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಅಕ್ಕಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿತರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಎಂದು ಗುಮಾನಿ ಬಂದು
ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಆವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ತಾವುಗಳು ಈ ಮೇಲ್ಕೊಂಡ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಹನದಲ್ಲಿ
ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಅಪ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಿನೈನ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ PDS ರೈಸ್. ದಿ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ as could be gathered from the summary at column number 10 of the FIR would indicate that the petitioner, the driver of the petitioner has furnished all the bills for having procured the rice in open market, which is not doubted by the search party, but a crime is registered on the score that the bills produced have to be verified and are yet to be verified. There is no doubt about the rice that is seized by the authorities on the said date. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Next.
Well, there is a direction to release the food grains.
Perishable commodity ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಿಮಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
In that light, the authorities are directed to release the food grains. Idea for the reasons indicated in the affidavit accompanying the application being satisfied with the same, as also for the reason that the rice being a perishable commodity and the very registration of the crime being in doubt as observed in the order, I deem it appropriate to direct some security you give.
Please.
Direct the
surety.
Sorry. Some direct the respondents to release the food grains - rice in the case at hand to the petitioner on receipt of adequate surety from the hands of the petitioner, ordered accordingly. Yes. Next.
7, appearing for the respondent, my lords.
We'll hear it another day. No time.
Dictation of orders.
ಅದು ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It's on Wednesday. Yes.
Sure, my lords.
List on Wednesday. Next.
8,
NDPS.
NDPS.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು
FIR based on the Panchanama.
ಪಂಚನಾಮ
Yes. Yes.
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್
ಹೌದು,
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಅವ್ರು ತಂದಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇದೆ.
ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, that is not applicable. ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. According to me, it is not applicable.
ಆಯ್ತು,
According to me,
yes.
it is applicable. 302 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು NDPS ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವೆದರ್ 302 or NDPS
only distinction-
ಪಂಚನಾಮ ಇಂದ
May
FIR
submit,
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್
my lord.
ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ
May
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
sub- may submit. Only distinction is, my lord, if the police found any criminal activities while patrolling or accidentally, then, my lord, registration FIR is not required. If there is a information regarding cognizable offense, exact time and place, and the person also, they should register a case. That is my submission.
All right, we'll see. I'll take it on Friday, next Friday.
Right,
Next Friday and bench ಇಲ್ಲ, so we'll take it, yes.
third time, fourth time.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
I have the copy.
Entry order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರೇ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Entry order extended.
Yes, entry order stands extended to the next date hearing.
Lord,
This is the filing objections. Filing my objections.
Bulky objections, sir.
fifth time, my lord.
No,
it's coming.
I made a submission. it
Fifth
will
time
be
they're
filed.
filing objections.
No, fifth time it is coming finally on the fifth.
They have filed the
occasion,
objections on the fifth time.
Yes.
I thought fifth time they're filing objections.
Then I'll have a look at it, but,
You should, sir.
but no, my lord, let there be a protection till then.
What protection, sir?
What has happened is, on the same case, the doctrine of sameness which your lordship has been
Hmm.
mentioning in the
All
previous.
right, ಹೇಳಿ. Hmm.
My lords, this is a case where I want to place only two facts on how the abuse of processes happen. May I mention 5 dates, my lords?
Hmm.
That's all. My lord, the entire case arises from an agreement.
Hmm.
Now that agreement, nowhere it is stated is bogus or it has been fabricated.
Hmm.
Neither that any signatures have been forged, etc. Now the issue is,
Then CBI, yeah.
No,
ಇಲ್ಲ,
no,
ಇಲ್ಲ, CBI,
Complaint.
regular police.
Oh,
Yes,
The
complaint.
complaint is given on 27th of May. When the complaint is given, it is before Malleshwaram police station. Now, on 30th, I am arrested and kept in custody all the way up to for another 10 days, my lord, till around 7th of June or so, I'm kept in custody. In that period, one of the times, that is on 31st of May, when an further application for remand to PC, continuation of PC, police custody is sought for, I go there and make an objection saying, Malleshwaram police has no jurisdiction whatsoever for whatever reasons best known to the complainant. He has sought to go before that police station and pick me up from a different place altogether.
Any other ground?
My lords, that is one abuse that I am talking of. Second, when finally I move the bail application and this is being heard, he files another FIR. This is filed on 5/6/2024.
It is the subject matter of the present petition.
Present
Which
is
FIR?
the FIR of 30th, 27/5/24.
Crime number it is.
Crime number, my lords, 185 of 24 of Malleshwaram PS.
Which is the second FIR?
This is the first FIR.
Which is the second?
Second FIR is 190, my lords, in Ashok Nagar police station.
Offense
My lords, there it is 406, 420, my lords.
in 185.
My lords, it's 406, 420, 408, 467, 471, 468.
One. Yes, sir, why two FIRs?
Lords, the first one is, my lords, with regard to, lords, the petitioner, my lords, is the CEO of my company. Now, what he does is, my lords, without my knowledge, he, my lords, registers one more company in the very same premises by furnishing, my lords, all false documents. That is one part. Now, my lords, kindly take, my lords, the MOU that, my lords, the statement of
No,
objection.
it's all right. Now, you
Why?
can add those offenses there only.
No, my lords, the issue is that, my lords, though, both.
Oh,
are, my
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
lords-
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅದು?
Illa, we filed it later. It is still, we have moved memos.
ಈಗ 185, this is 185, is it?
This is
This
185.
this is 185.
185. So
185.
what has happened is, my lords, he has, my lords, not produced the
No, no,
MOU.
this-
I have produced it.
You
Was
forget
an
about the
MOU.
MOU, sir, you may have a 100% case. But 185 register ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 190 ಯಾಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ?
190, my
Anything
lords,
happened between 185 and 190?
No.
All the facts are anterior to 185?
185.
Then
is,
why
my lords,
190?
But that, my lords, I have to. my
You
lords,
want to
make, like,
pursue 190 or 185?
I have to seek instruction.
ಎರಡು
on that,
ಭಾಷೆ
my lords.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, kindly have it on, my lords, Tuesday itself. I'll, my lords, make my submission on this.
All right. Heard the learned counsel Nitin Ramesh appearing for the petitioner and so and so. The learned counsel, apart from the merit of the matter, would submit that two crimes are registered for the same cause of action. the first crime is registered in crime number 185 of 2024 before a particular police station. And crime number 190 again, date, time lapse.
My lords, that is after 10 days, my lords.
And
9 days.
And after 9 days, second crime comes to be registered in crime number 190 of 2024 before a different police station. Therefore, the submission of the learned counsel is, it is hit by doctrine of sameness. The matter requires consideration. There shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation in crime number 185 of 2024 till the learned counsel for the respondent would steer clear the controversy with regard to registration of two crimes on the same cause of action. List on. Tell me whenever you want. Next year.
Tuesday itself.
Next year.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Because my lords, the issue is, my lords, one is with regard to, my lords, the massive fraud he has committed. Second is, my
ಎರಡು
lords,
massive fraud.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ,
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Now, my lords, the account was closed the previous year itself, my lords.
All right.
That is with regard to the
ಆಯ್ತು.
second complaint. The
Cheating.
first complaint is with regard to, my lords, my company is in, my lords, Janardhan Towers.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ?
It is completely different.
What is peace? Different facts. What has happened between 9 days ಏನಾರ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
9 days.
In 9 days ಏನಾರ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ
Correct, my
ತಾನೆ?
lords. Facts
Can
are
always invoke
overlapping.
those offenses in the earlier crime. Why this is registered is to put him behind bars and nothing else.
No. Facts are overlapping. That's it, my
These
lords.
things, sir, what is this?
Please, my lords, kindly
What
have it.
facts are overlapping? That is the reason ಒಂದೇ crime ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Please.
No, my lords. Those are completely different aspects. My lords.
Ah.
Kindly have it on, my lords, Tuesday itself.
I'll take it on Wednesday.
Please.
Will not permit repeated crimes.
Please.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Wednesday, my lords.
30th or 31st, my lords, I have some matters finally.
Interim order vacated.
My lords,
Yes.
30th. My lord,
Taking
5
any
times, it's
adjournment.
not. I'm asking for
5
2
times,
days.
my lords, party came today, my lords.
No,
That is the only reason I
no, the
asked.
Why
party
you-
was present on the
One
last.
minute, sir. Party came today.
No,
Hey,
no.
but
He was busy registering another crime somewhere.
No.
I'm sorry, my
Because
lords, he was
time
present in
ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
the court that I'm informed with.
No, my lords.
Yes,
Came today and.
All right. You may not know the party. They will know.
They, we know it.
All right. Yes.
30th,
30th.
30th.
Please.
The fresh matters. Yes.
Appearing as proxy counsel lordship,
ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್?
any date,
Huh?
Tuesday,
Uh,
fresh matters.
Council so and so files objections, same mistake on record.
Fresh matters, Tuesday, Wednesday. lordship.
ನಿಮ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ
Appearing as
ಅವತ್ತು.
proxy counsel lordship. Can
Yes,
you-
list on
Tuesday,
30th.
Tuesday lordship.
No, sir. Yes.
Split up to,
30th is. You're in custody?
not in custody, fresh matters.
Yes. 30th, fresh matters. Yes, Sachin.
Yes, your serial number 12, your lordship.
Ah,
Your lordship, offense punishable on section 306 and 304B, your lordship.
no, sir. You will have to await the filing of the final report. All evidence is there.
Your lordship, the complaint,
Hold on. Take this back.
your lordship, the complaint averments is the omnibus allegation, your lordship.
No, sir. Not the complaint governments. Wait till the filing of the charge sheet. You file the case after filing of the charge sheet. List after 4 weeks. The pendency of this petition will not come in the way of the respondents filing their final report pursuant to investigation. Yes, next. Date could put based on 24th.
Much of that.
13.
Yes, Latif.
Please.
Yeah.
420,
Split up.
419. No. Lord, the financial transaction between the complainant and the CW3. And Lord, the allegation that the complainant is working as a bed repair work he is doing and has transferred 1,80,000 to the petitioner in order to purchase the bike. And also it is an allegation that in
Vapas kudi. 1,80,000.
Lord, I'll
Give it back.
please, I'll communicate the party and I'll make submission next.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಇದು, if you have taken money to get a bike, super bike,
Yes,
then give it back.
2 weeks after.
There is neither super nor bike.
Yes.
I'll give a date. Astral Madi illa andre will pass some order.
Please.
I'll take it on 18th. List on 18th September in the fresh matters list. Yesterday's matter.
Please, day before yesterday's.
Day for yesterday, yeah.
354, 354A. My lords, please to sort for the records from the police minutes.
Yeah.
Investigation records.
Hmm.
The allegations were two for my lords. One was by messages and by video calls. She was being harassed after work hours and primarily at midnight as well.
Hmm.
And thereafter, my lords, on
Why
20
did you send messages or call at midnight?
Please, I had made a submission my lords, on the earlier occasion. If at all, my lords, there are any materials, to my knowledge, my lords, my instructions are no such lewd messages or any such messages which are offensive were sent by me. That's the reason my
But
lords,
then- Good morning, good night, Kalsadra.
Adide, some other
ಮತ್ತೆ?
discussions are there. She also has
What
responded to it.
discussions?
But nothing else which is offensive is what I am instructed.
Shall I give you this?
I'm not aware of what
You
exactly.
can't be aware now. Charge sheet ಹಾಕದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
That they may kindly be kept pending minutes as such.
What?
This may kindly be kept pending, awaiting the
Oh, you're
investigation report.
drawing cue from the
Not-
earlier order.
The reason is, as far as I'm concerned, my lords, I'm aware on the 23rd of May, I had issued her a show cause notice.
Hmm.
And in fact, even before this, my lord, there was another inquiry held.
Hmm.
And in the inquiry, my lords, there in fact a report which came to be filed
Hmm.
saying that all the doctors, including the lady doctors in the hospital, the other staff were
No,
inquired
sir,
into.
we will not spare such doctors.
No allegations that
Oh,
are
no.
forthcoming as against me.
Doctors who sexually harass the staff, we will not.
But there was an inquiry on the 22nd minute, there was an
And
inquiry.
you're a government servant,
Please,
Health
Lord.
and Family Welfare Department.
Please, I'm an administrative medical officer of the
Medical officer?
administrative medical officer, Taluk Hospital, Kundapur.
Correct. Yes,
She was an NRC, my lords, which is Nutritional Rehabilitation Center doctor.
all right.
But I had issued her a notice, my lords.
Why do you want her to come to late night dinner? That's what you are.
That's one of the allegations. My submission is only this, my lords. If the record, if the digital records would indicate something, my lords,
It
perhaps
does.
in that event, I may not have a case at this stage. My only submission is,
Charge sheet hackle you come,
please,
not at this stage. Otherwise, I will give all these finding now.
in that event, I intend to withdraw.
Yes. Definitely, this is not a case.
In fact, there were several other proceedings there, in fact, which came to be initiated against me earlier. They
Against
want to
whom?
remove against me. They
Identical.
want, no, identical ಈಗ. In
Hmm.
fact, one ತಿಂಗಳು ಮೊದಲಿನ report ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, all the doctors were inquired into, staff were inquired into.
Hmm.
There is no such truth which is forthcoming from the inquiry. That report also is there. However, yesterday, when the objections were produced, now the inquiry report is what is indicated. So on that score, I may not have a case as such.
Actually, if the statements are seen here, you are in an inescapable web.
But this is what I've indicated to the, so that's the reason I'm
It's
kindly
not, you're
permitted
not
to.
stopped at that. You have called her names. You have, painted her character black.
That's the reason,
These are, this is a matter of investigation. here.
please, I'm kindly be permitted to withdraw in that.
Yes, discharge.
Liberty thereof.
It's always there. Anyway, you have to come back to me only.
Yes.
Yes.
My lords, under one section, 138, my lords. I invite my lord's kind attention to ink page number 29. The accused has been styled as M.R. Babu, proprietor of M.R. Traders.
You serve on the council, represents the respondent. Serve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ?
I have served my lords last time.
Madam,
Fact on the
ಇದ್
date.
ಮಾಡಿ. Deny ಮಾಡಿ. What's the problem now? Cognizance order is 3 years old.
My lord, my lord will kindly find.
Let him come. Let's on Wednesday. Heard the learned counsel S. V. Agni appearing for the petitioner. That's the matter on Wednesday, awaiting the appearance of the
Thursday, my
respondent.
lord.
Huh?
Thursday.
Friday. Yes. List on 30th. Yes, next. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? Abdul Ansar, ನೀವೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Oh, sir, you have to invite it.
No, like I was.
Submit your case.
The case is that, my lord, the
Ah.
NDPS, the allegation of possession of 100 grams of ganja, and in violation of section.
That's why you're
15
standing there only.
No, no, my lord.
Ah.
I was
100 grams of ganja.
Yes, in violation of section 50, my lord, this seizure has been made. My lord, when the,
But section 50.
yes, section 50. And as well as the section 52A is.
ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ why do you leave this loophole, sir? Section 50, joint notice. ಎಲ್ಲ stay ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಾವು.
And in the case is that, my lord, when the settled principle of law is that, my lord, by the Honorable Supreme Court, that when
In
the
case
section
ಅಲ್ಲಿ,
50 is not complied,
Unless
and
you should not leave anything to stay, sir. If this is really done. Otherwise you do all the other things. And police ಹೇಳಿ.
and then
Let him answer. 30th in fresh matters list.
17.
Filing memo for withdrawal.
Thank you. In terms of.
18.
Have to file a report.
Huh?
Reporter.
Reporter, final reporter.
No, my lord, in this matter,
Mines
day
and-
before yesterday, I saw time, my lord. And this matter, I had to secure records from Tirthalli, my lord, MMRDA matter.
Huh?
Short accommodation, by Tuesday, I'll place the entire records.
ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿನ ತರ್ಸಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟನಾ?
ಕಳ್ಸಿದಾರೆ, ನಮಗ್ ಮುಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
You're talking as though you have to get it from Texas.
ಬುಧವಾರ, I'll place the entire material.
ಬುಧವಾರ?
ಬುಧವಾರ.
Finally list on Wednesday at the request of Tejesh, HCGP. Yes.
Next name. 19.
Lord,
ಏನ್ ರುದ್ರಪ್ಪರ?
I have challenged the FIR and complaint in this case to me. The offences are 419 and 420, my lord.
ಹಾ.
There are 2 complaints and 2 FIR registered for the same cause of action.
First one, second one.
Please, my lord.
Dates, please.
No, the
Yes.
first complaint is filed in Bangalore on 21/1/2024, my lord.
21/1/24.
24.
Next.
And the other complaint is filed on 10/4/2024 in Telangana, Suryapet. The transaction details are one and the same. The
ಈಗ
transfer.
ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
The one-
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಇದಿರ್ಲಿ.
Allah, that's what I'm saying.
ಅಲ್ಲ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದಿರ್ಲಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ.
No, but even if it's looking at the.
No, ಇಲ್ಲಿ you will say same ಅಂತ you will take a stay here.
No, my lord.
There you will go and say
Lord, I'm not,
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ.
I'm not arraigned as accused in that FIR.
Then how does it become 2 crimes?
Lord, what I'm trying to say is the allegations made in both the complaints.
Maybe you are not an accused, you are only accused in one.
One which is in Bangalore, which is impugned here in.
No problem. Then why did you say Telangana?
Lord, for the same cause of action, 2 complaints are filed is what.
You are not an accused, sir.
Please, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Lord, the gist of this complaint is this, my lord.
Hmm.
The complainant alleges that he
So
is. the
Telangana goes.
Please,
Now come back to Karnataka. ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
kindly 1 minute time.
ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು?
File a statement of objection.
Lord.
What's the problem now?
My lord, now, my lord, the police is calling me day and night, asking me to come forward and.
Don't
settle.
ask police to call. ನೀವು
But
ಹೇಳಿ
one-
ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
My lord, they are asking me to act as a mediator to settle the issues and thereby they freeze my account also.
ಈಗ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Please, my lord.
43 lakhs recovered from his account, my lord.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
43 lakhs has
No,
been
no, it's
recovered from his
26
account.
lakhs, but I'm not the primary recipient in this case.
He is the
my lord.
secondary.
Secondary recipient.
My
I'm
lord.
not the primary recipient.
No problem. Secondary recipient.
Lord, may I just take one
Secondary
moment,
recipient.
please? my lord.
Wait, you don't borrow my words. Wait.
My lord, one moment. The complainant alleges that he is a consultant of Vinota Infra Projects and he was looking for joint development projects, investment opportunities. And he came across an advertisement in an online platform which is not described in the complaint as though, my lord. As
You'll
such,
get the records.
please, my lord, even in.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ?
Agila,
My lord, charge sheet is.
charge sheet is not filed even after 7 months. There he says he has transferred a sum of rupees 5 crores to the account of accused number 1. Who resides in Sikkim. The transfer is in Sikkim. And further he says that since they didn't come up with the proper properties, since they showed no intention of returning the funds, we requested our bank to reverse the amount and we were able to get 2.18 crores from the bank. They already got it.
All right.
Now, in the very same complaint, my lord, he acknowledges.
How
one
did money come into your account?
My lord, there is one agreement between the accused number 1 and 2 where he has returned that money to me, which he had owed from me.
You are accused number 2.
I am the accused number 2. I am not the recipient of the money. My lord, in the very
ದುಡ್ಡು
same.
ಹೋಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೋಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು?
My lord, 1 crore is transferred by accused number 1 to the petitioner number 2 who is arrayed as accused number 2. 1 CR has hogide, 43 has been
Crore.
recovered. Took 1 crore, my lord. That has been-
1 CR ಯಾಕೆ 1 crore.
1 crore.
Yes.
Lord. Lord, page 39 for a moment.
No. Return the money.
No, it's not, my lord, I'm not, Lord, if your lordships could see, they have already received that money is what my contention is.
We'll see. File your objections. And you get the records.
Please, my lord.
Learned counsel with the petitioner to serve on serve set of papers upon Rudrappa. Yav Rudrappa? Abdul Salam. ನೀವು ರುದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ವಾ
It
ನೀವು?
was not issued in.
My name is Rudrappa, my lord.
ವಕಾಲತ್ Abdul Salam. Is so and so forthwith.
Date
A
may-
week's time is granted to file objections to the respondent. The learned HCGP shall also place on record the papers of investigation on the next date, list on 12th September.
Please, my lord.
20?
Petitioner and respondent are filing application seeking permission to compound the offense.
So POCSO,
Folks,
with the latest judgment of Supreme Court, bari kashta sir.
but after the marriage, when the respondent number 2 was admitted in the hospital for delivery, on the basis of.
I know the hard realities, but Supreme Court say, the first marriage first, huh?
A marriage.
What is the age of the victim and date of marriage and date of the,
My lord, as on the date of the marriage, my lord, as per the averments of the complaint is 18 years. 17 years, as on the date.
POCSO ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು ಅದು?
My lord, marriage first ಆಗಿತ್ತು. And
ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಯಾವತ್ತಾಯ್ತು?
my lord, date of the marriage is 2/12/2020,
2/12
2022.
and date of delivery?
My lord, date of delivery, my lord, 6/11/2023,
6/11, almost 11 months.
11.
All right. Age on the date of marriage?
My lord, age on the date of the marriage, my lord, was
Yes.
70.
Age on the date of marriage? You should be ready, madam.
17 years,
ನೀವು
17.
ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
17 years.
Age on the date of marriage? 17 years.
7.
ಮತ್ತೆ 18 ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
Sorry, idರಲ್ಲಿ complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ 18 ಅಂತ.
ಹಾ.
Statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ therefore.
Yes. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಲ್ 18 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ POCSO ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That's the whole, this is, your religion permits marriage.
Religion permits.
But anyway, POCSO is POCSO. Religion will not take away.
So, Lord, the hard realities are that, my lord,
So that I know.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
There is no one to take care of her and the child, my lord.
Is in custody now.
No, he's outside. He's on bail.
ಇದೆ 9th ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
Please.
ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. Where are they from?
They are from Bangalore.
Then all right. 9th will take it. 9th, don't get them,
Please,
but we'll decide along with all other cases.
please.
We'll try to bring about some solution. This is a hard reality. No, I know, that is, no, Justice Oak speaks about romantic relationship in POCSO. If it's an offense under POCSO, you can't cover it by romantic relationship and settle the matter is what is said. But this is hard reality, sir. ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಏನೋ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಲೀಕ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Para 42 is straight away on that. But what do you say about the difference? What do you say about that? Very difficult. Now they are married, they have a child, conviction is impossible.
Any proves the conviction becomes an issue. Supreme Court said even conviction, all these things probably the matter to decide whether what kind of contents can be imposed, not for compounding. That is where they.
They compound madaka. Latest day before,
Please,
2 days back judgment. Otherwise, we were also doing it. Let's see. 9/9 will take it. Yes.
21?
Petition, lords. Lords, offense under section 201 and 420, my lords. Lords, initially,
ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? They are protected, don't worry. Entry ಮಾಡಿ continue ಮಾಡಿ.
Lords, offense under section 201 and 420, my lords. Lords, initial, my lords, a suit was filed in 2019, my
Why
lords.
201?
Lords, for destruction of evidence.
What did you
Lords,
destroy?
no allegation whatsoever in the complaint.
What
Lords.
did you destroy, sir?
Lords, there is no allegation whatsoever in the complaint, Lords. I have not destroyed anything, Lords. Lords, suit is pending, Lords, since 2019. Lord, I am the defendant number 1. Lords, no relief was able to take, he could not able to take any relief from the civil court. Lords, after 5 years, Lords.
Who is the complainant?
Lords, the plaintiff himself is the complainant, Lords.
Page.
Lords, kindly see the suit, my lords, at page number, the pages in the suit, page number 33.
What is this WP 15829?
Lords, subsequently, my lord, during the pendency of the suit, my lords, property was acquired by the KIDB. Lords, compensation was not given to me, my lords. I opposed this court. But this court directed KIDB to issue, my lords,
To
release the
consider your
compensation.
representation.
To consider representation, thereafter, my lord, they have released the compensation, my lords, in my.
Please the compensation in favor.
Is released, my lord. Now, what he's saying, my lords.
In the meantime.
Obliged.
1, 2, next.
22.
The petitioner in this case, madam. False caste certificate, madam.
ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
So same petitioners, 2 more petitions have been
How
filed.
many caste certificates you issued, sir? The learned counsel for the
Single.
petitioner submits that the issue in the list stands answered by the judgment of the coordinate bench in 23834 of 2022. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing. A learned HCGP 1, C Jagadish 2 and 3. Petitioner to serve set of papers upon. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ copy ಇದೆ madam?
Proceedings, I asked for the proceedings or.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದೇನಾ ಅದು?
Please, my lord, ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
22.
Yes, my lord.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Yes, list on 4th September.
But 2 more petitions are filed by the same petitioners, madam. That may be linked to them.
Why?
Fresh matters that has not been listed.
Will ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ list them both on 2nd September.
Obliged.
ಅದು 2nd September ಹಾಕಿ. Yes. Next.
23.
Bill number 23 next week, my lords. I will amend the petition, my lords.
Amend the petition.
Charge is framed. I will amend the petition, challenging the order of framing the charges.
ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು?
But evidence, my lords, none of the witnesses are.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು? You beg the question. Yes.
That date I don't have.
But ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ specific reason ಇದೆ.
Not sir.
After filing of the petition or before filing of the petition?
Before, my lords.
Then I will not entertain it.
Then I will with liberty to challenge that framing of charge, the appropriate proceedings.
Appropriate. Yes.
Not even in repetition, I can challenge it.
What appropriate? Yes.
24.
Appear for the
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ
petition.
sir? Appropriate proceeding, appropriate forum, appropriate stage.
Copy I have served on the government advocate, my lord.
Yes, government, MMDR.
Records has to come.
Complaint, my lord, doesn't disclose. Complaint is, my lord, I have established a stone crusher unit.
ಬುಧವಾರ finally, MMDR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು. It's Stone Crushers Act ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You have deliberately invoked MMDR.
And secondly, my lord, he already the second complaint.
Wednesday in the fresh matter. Yes. As a last chance.
Please.
ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು last chance. Yes. ರಜತ್. ಹಾ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ KPTC ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇಜಸ್ಗೂ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Every page is important.
I would submit.
Then why do you flag it even?
No, the issue is, my lord. The petitioner is no saint.
Of course.
He is not a sinner either.
In between.
Maybe so, my lord. My lord, there were 3 petitions filed. 2 have been listed. One matter may not have been.
2 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
25.
ಎರಡು correct. Yes. ಇರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
My lord, in 2257/4 of 2024. But this is the case where he was arrested on the grounds of NDPS and thereafter remanded to judicial custody.
ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅವಾಗ when he had appeared. I want that report.
My lords may kindly take page 36. in 22574.
Ah,
Please, page 36.
yes.
This is the order sheet, my lord, which discloses that the PSI of rural PS dated 27/7/2024. PSI of rural PS Agra has filed a remand application and prays to remand the accused number 1 and 3 by name Shantakumar Swami, son of so and so, respectively to judicial custody for 4 days.
All right.
In the remand order, my lord, page number 38. On inquiry, the accused number 1 submitted that he was arrested by the police on 26/7/2024 at 4:30 p.m.
1 minute, where do you get that?
On page 38, second paragraph. On inquiry, the accused number 1 submitted that he was arrested by the police on 26/7/2024 at 4:30 p.m. near the court. But he is produced before the
4:30 p.m. Yellow 38 alla.
38. Yes, my lord, 38.
On inquiry, it was found so and so at any fact of arrest is made known to the family members.
And-
When was the crime registered?
My lord, crime was registered on 16th of July.
Oh, the crime was already registered.
16th of July, crime was registered.
Huh.
On 17th, he comes before this court seeking permission to
Oh,
withdraw the.
you're saying because he came before this court, he's arrested.
Thereafter, he goes there. He was kept in custody for a period longer than 24 hours. And he was produced to the learned magistrate.
So at 4:30 p.m. 26/6, he's arrested.
Please, my lord.
Produced before the magistrate, remand application ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ನು?
4:30 p.m. 27/7/2024. He was in fact arrested a little earlier. He was arrested by 4 p.m. itself near the court premises.
Half an hour difference.
Half an hour difference.
All right.
All I'm just trying to submit, my lord, is that the period of assault by the police has happened in this 24 hours.
Assault on the petitioner.
On the petitioner has happened.
Did you say that before the magistrate when you were asked?
My lord, I was under threat.
ಅರೆ?
I was not in a position.
Magistrate ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ threat?
I was not in a position to say anything.
What you are not in a position? You should have told all that before the magistrate saying, here we would have asked you whether they have,
Yes.
whether
he
they
has.
have treated you well or something else.
Because, my lord,
Hmm.
in my remand application, if my lords may kindly take the remand application. Remand application
Page.
for nothing connected to page number 30.
No. It is NDPS.
31 in the start agutte. My lords may kindly take page 34. 34, fourth paragraph.
Sir, one moment. Rajat, 16/7/24. A crime is registered for offense punishable under 20B and 8
Of
of
the NDPS.
NDPS.
Please,
All right. Pursuant to that crime, you are taken into custody.
please,
Remand application is made
please.
seeking police custody.
The reasoning behind the remand application, my
Where
lords.
is-
may
where do I
take
get
Page 34, fourth paragraph. Page
Huh.
number 30. ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಒಂದನೇ
ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ.
ಆರೋಪಿಯು
Hmm.
ಚಾಳಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ಆರೋಪಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸದರಿಯವನು ಈ ಕೇಸಿನ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿದಾರರಾದ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಅಲಿಯಾಸ್ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಇವಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕೆಂಬ ದುರಾಸೆಯಿಂದ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಣಕಿ ನೋಡುವುದು, ಅವಳನ್ನು ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸುವುದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೈ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್.
All right.
ಅವಳ ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ವೈರಲ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಇನ್ನಿತರ ಮಾದಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರ ಮನೆಯ ಸುತ್ತ ಮುತ್ತ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಇಲಾಖಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಕ್ರಮ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ದಾಳಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಇವಳನ್ನು ಭಯಪಡಿಸಿ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಹುನ್ನಾರ ನಡೆಸಿ ಅವಳನ್ನು ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸುವ ಕೃತ್ಯವೆಗುವ ಸ್ವಭಾವದವನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಒಂದನೇ ಆರೋಪಿಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ದಾಖಲಾದ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳು ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡಂತೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಾಗರ ಗ್ರಾಮಾಂತರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆ ಅಪರಾಧ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 194/23 for so and so offenses. ಸಾಗರ ಪೇಟೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪರಾಧ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 110/2023 for so and so offenses.
ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಆಗಿದೆ ಮರೋಡ್, which is also
194 and 110
yes ma'am.
for 354, 354D,
Yes.
509, 465.
Please.
Yes, sir.
ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ಆರೋಪಿ ಈ ಕೇಸಿನ ಫಿರ್ಯಾದಿದಾರರು ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಕಡೆಯವರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀಡಿದ ದೂರಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಂಡಂತೆ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ರಿಪ್ಪನ್ಪೇಟೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆ ಅಪರಾಧ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 70/2023 for so and so offenses. ಸೊರಬ ಠಾಣೆ ಅಪರಾಧ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ 110/2023 for so and so offenses.
First you tell me,
Please,
for the police to mention this in the remand order,
please,
there are already two crimes.
please.
You are married
I'm married, please.
even before this.
Even before the registration of this FIR.
All right. Married to whom?
To a different lady.
To a different lady.
Yes ma'am.
After marriage, what is this? What is the act of yours here? Why are you behind this girl?
I am not there. My complaint, my
Girl is
lord,
behind you?
my complaint is page 28. In fact, in one of the petitions, both of us have given a joint statement before the women's self-help group saying we will not proceed anything further. And this is as early as July 2023. Either page number 28 of this petition, my lords may kindly see, or rather page 29. That's the typed copy of the complaint.
That is 16/6/24, sir.
Please, my lords may say the reasoning behind me being lugged into this crime.
How are you saying you're lugged in?
ಈ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು, my lords, they find that
No.
the CCTV recording of one person allegedly throwing a packet of ganja is
Yes.
fine. ಈ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ, my lords may kindly take 10th line, my lord, of page 29. ಈ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಾವನ ಮಗಳಾದ ಪಲ್ಲವಿಯನ್ನು ಶಾಂತಕುಮಾರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕೆಪಿಟಿಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಮದುವೆಯ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಆಗದೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮುರಿಕೊಂಡ ವಿಚಾರದ ದ್ವೇಷದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಕೇಸನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಶಾಂತಕುಮಾರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಈತನು ಯಾರೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಎಸೆದಿರುವುದು ತಿಳಿದು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಎಸೆದಿರುವ ಅನುಮತಿಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿಸಲು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. Under the apprehension that there was somebody else who upon my instructions has thrown the ganja packet, please find out who that person is, not me. Even as per their complaint, which is lodged after a span of 3 days after the incident.
Permit investigation. Let it go on. If investigation doesn't go on, who has thrown ganja anta heng gottagutte?
Along with me, 2 other people who are unknown to me are arrayed as accused. They were also
They
remanded.
will fight it out. So you don't worry about it.
If that was the case, my lord, may I request to stay on the order
On what?
directing, my lord, requesting the magistrate, the requisition filed by the police, requesting to register another FIR on me for these offences, which are outraging
What
modesty of
offense?
women. My lord, 75, 76, my lords will find
Page
it.
75, 76. sir.
Page
40.
number 40. The investigation officer has filed requisition, page number 40.
354.
Already ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, what had happened during the course of investigation, the whole purpose is that he was stalking her and he wanted to do all those things, therefore he has done this. So we made a
No,
requisition.
ಈಗ 2 crime ಅಲ್ಲಿ 354 A B C
ಹಳೇದು.
D ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಹಳೇದು?
2023 ಅದು.
23 ಅದು.
ಹೌದು 23. ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಓ, ಇದೆರಡು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
Yes.
Same lady.
Yes, same lady. Idರಲ್ಲಿ we wanted to invoke in the same FIR.
Why?
But the judge apparently had been told, my lord, that the magistrate refused to. And
Charge
then
sheet ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳೆದರಲ್ಲಿ case ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಹಾಕಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು FIR ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
that is our requisition was that. But the magistrate passed this order directing us to register a separate FIR instead of invoking same provisions in NDPS case.
NDPS ಕೇಸಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
That is
But,
where he passed that order. By virtue of this order, we have registered
NDPS
another
they
FIR.
don't go hand in hand. See, those are triable by the magistrate.
Very well, my lord, but
This is triable by sessions.
no, but I am in no way connection to this.
No, that we don't know. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Before going there, my lord, your lordship may turn to page.
So it is not that your crime is registered today. You made a hue and cry here. Then I thought, yes, definitely there is something. You have gone on with these offenses for the last 2 years. You're married to someone else. And why are you troubling this girl?
My lord, I have even sought a transfer. I have not been relieved from that place from October 2023. It was because I was not transferring myself from there to elsewhere that the first FIR came to be registered. Even before that, I have lodged my complaint, my lord. There is a B report filed to that effect. Second FIR comes to be registered, my lord, with a complaint to the Sagara Rural Police
You
Station.
projected as if you're a paragon of virtue. Nothing here.
Illa, my lord. No, my only concern is, even if the respondent number 2 seeks to settle the matter, and she made an effort before the women's self-help group, it's a part of record. She made an effort to settle the matter in the women's self-help group. Second complaint comes to be registered upon the
1
instructions
minute,
of the
sir.
police.
You tell me what settlement? What settlement between you and this lady?
That
You are
people-
married and you are elsewhere.
No, I got married this June. This 10th
Earlier you were in relationship with this lady.
with this lady.
No, he was married.
When was he married?
He was married in
I was
2000
married way before, my lord. Then there was a divorce.
Way before.
2020.
Divorce proceedings took place. I was subsequently divorced, and after that, my lord, I got into a relationship with this
So you
lady.
became single. So you wanted this.
No, that may not be the case, please.
Then what? Yes.
No, your lordship may please come to page 45.
he places a letter alleged to have written by respondent number 2.
Which petition?
Petition 22,574, my lord.
Then, this some Pallavi and the
Yes,
sign
my
matter.
lord. The lordship will direct him to give this original copy. We wanted to send it for FSL examination. The signature which he has done.
ಇದ್ಯಾವ ಕಾಪಿ ಇದು?
This is the
Original copy ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
No, we want to send it for FSL because we have
Please
been,
send it, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಇದೆ.
yes, we will, because we have been told, my lord, this is not belongs to her. And in
No, no.
fact, I also verified the signature, my lord, signature doesn't match.
Now,
Signature
everything,
in a
my lord, is
complaint.
going upon the instructions of the respondent number 2. In the
Sorry.
second petition, my lord. my
Sir,
lord, this
Wait
one,
one ನಿಮಿಷ.
please.
If that were to be the case, definitely I would have taken further steps to protect you or whatever it is.
Please.
That is not the case. You have troubled the lady.
No, no, my lord, one
You are,
submission.
you are married, you are divorced is a different thing. But you can't trouble a lady like this.
No, my only
Could you-
submission is, my lord, in the second FIR, which is registered against.
This is not the first FIR for you to say that the police are harassing you.
My lord, the second FIR which is registered against me, my lords may take the complaint in that case. Complaint is
And you
lodged.
told me, Jagdish,
Yes.
you told me he has spoken to the excise department.
But
Where is that?
I've extracted the transcription. Transcription is also there, my lord.
Same man, is it?
Yes, yes.
Alla, illi page, who is this throwing something?
That is accused number 1, is a friend of this person. He is also present in the same location. He comes in the car, drops him, and then this person comes and
Plants ganja in the
Yes.
compound.
yes. And before that, the conversation between one Pandu, the excise constable, and the excise DC, the DYSP, both we have transcribed, my lord. It's a place those.
Transcribe ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Madidhi. Violated also, my lord. Your lordship may see the page 22 in the lordship is the photographs also, my lord.
ಏನಿದು ವಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಬಕ್ಕೂ ನೀವು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಹರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ?
We even another complaint was lodged.
One minute.
Please.
In whose possession was this photograph?
It was not in my possession, my lord.
Then her possession, is it?
Ilan, I have not put it up.
That's all. Your pictures with the lady inside a car, in whose possession was it?
My lord, it was.
That is what is here. You
Please,
think
my
the
lord.
lady will put it herself?
No, my lord, I have
Obvious
clarified.
that you have done it.
My lord, that was on 22/5/2023. That the alleged banner whichever is put up is on 22/5/2023.
No, let it be 22/5/2022 also, sir, but why did you do it?
Upon that, my lord, a complaint was lodged by respondent number 2. I was called before the police. Both of us gave a closure statement saying we will not indulge in any of these acts, if any. Now, even if we have indulged in any of these things, we will not
But
indulge.
at the outset, why did you even do it?
But
How
I-
can you defame a lady like this?
But on that basis,
Then-
of course, my lord, the first FIR has been registered against me. In addition to the
So-
fact that,
You had tied the banner, you had done all this, so FIR is registered on that.
please,
ಅದು charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
that charge sheet agide. In the second case, my lord, respondent number 2 files a complaint before the Sagar Rural Police Station.
All right.
But the FIR comes to be registered by the Sagar Town Police
We will
Station.
answer all that, don't worry. Yes.
But the only challenge here lies, my lord, as to the
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
sequence of
transcript ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
events. Last ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Lord, may I also be permitted to take?
One
copy?
minute, one minute. Page,
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ page 22, my lord. Maybe I'll give this, my lord, I think the page. Call record.
ಇದೆನಾ?
ಹೌದು. I violated, your lordship may see what is the conversation. Like I personally heard the conversation.
ಓ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಹ್ಮ್.
You wanted that lady to lady or the house people to get arrested. Their conversation. Compound ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ.
May I hold a copy of it? my
This
lord?
is the transcript, sir.
I will just
No, there's a
verify.
matter of investigation.
I will just verify it, my lord,
No.
please.
This is not correct. ಏನೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಗಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, there are 3 crimes already registered. He had withdrawn those petitions.
Please.
Now we re-challenge that.
That's all it. I gave him liberty.
Why the second FIR came to be registered, my lord, was a counterblast to the representations I gave before, my lord, the Additional Chief Secretary, Home Department, as well as to the DGIGP. There is not, my lord, a single iota of material in those cases to register an FIR. The first instance, my lord, the FIR came to be registered based on these alleged banners as well as an allegation of assault.
Boss, you can't trouble a lady like this.
Pamphlets have
We
been
will
dis-
not countenance all this.
Pamphlets have been printed and distributed.
Now that is.
The
part
subject
the
matter of the other FIR.
Please. ma'am.
No
That's-
problem, but you have done it then. Charge sheet is filed. You are facing trial in that.
I'm facing trial.
And again, you are doing all this.
No, my lord, I have not indulged in
No,
this.
no. All that you have done is a counterblast, not what they have done. A lady has to protect herself, sir.
But as against this order,
You
my lord,
ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ divorce ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are forcing her to marry.
no, I am not
Then-
forcing, my lord. After marriage, I am not in a position to force her. In fact, I
I'm not telling forcing the earlier one to. After marriage, you are not in a position to force ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ?
after marriage, my lord,
Then-
to this person, I'm not in a position to even meet her for that matter. Please, my lord.
No, sir. Doesn't deserve any indulgence. If you want, I will. Well, where is he? He's here?
He's not, I have requested him not to come.
Oh.
And by planting these kind of letter, my lord, unnecessarily.
No, sir. You have troubled the lady, the family. ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು.
My lord, my
Who
instructions,
else will do that, sir?
my instructions are
You
that.
posted banners in the village. It's a small place. How will that lady get married to anyone then? ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು? ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. For a man, nothing is not going to lose anything. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್. ರಜತ್ ಕಲೆ.
But my only press on this point, that the subsequent registration of the FIR in the NDPS case may kindly be halted.
I thought the policemen have really behaved bad with you ಅಂತ.
The aspect of assault is there, my lord.
Correct, sir. That is after registration of the crime. All right. And adu ashte, then you have,
In fact, my lord, there are videos. You have taken him to hospital for medical examination. Videos speak something else. He refused to cooperate, and then he himself hits on his head,
no, this, with all this,
behaves with the doctors.
definitely it is.
All these things are videographed.
No, sir.
My request, my lord, that at least notice be issued
No,
to the complainant in this case, my lord. because-
not a case for interference at, I have all the report here. That is why when the man made a hue and cry itself, I told the additional SPP, get a factual report, and if anybody is telling falsehood, definitely they will face it. And the axe has fallen on you now. Not at all correct.
May I seek instructions and come back, please, my lord.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Withdraw ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ, whatever it is.
That,
I will not stall investigation nor interfere in any of these cases.
But the aspect of registration of the FIR in the third case, my lord, only that may kindly be
ಯಾವುದು?
looked into. In the NDPS case,
NDPS ಕೇಸ್ಗೂ 354 ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ.
but the requisition filed therein on the basis of the
See,
remand
I'll
application.
tell you one.
Please,
Earlier crime is there,
please.
that is going on. Now ಈಗ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ 354 ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
because he's stalking, that's the stalking is the one which is removed. Even now he is.
354D ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, yes.
I'm not there, my lord. I am
You're not
after,
there?
no, because I was,
You have placed the call record. my
I
lord,
was,
which
I was
indicates the
before
location.
this honorable court with a prayer to, my lord, on 6/7/2024, my lord, I come before this court to file a petition. On 10th June, my lord, I get married to to another lady. On 10th June, my lord, 6th of June, I come before this court and file the petition before the registry. 10th June, my lord, I get married.
That's your second marriage.
That's my second marriage. Yes, my
All
lord.
right.
10th June, my lord,
Between the first and the second, this happened, is it?
please, that is the allegation.
All right.
My lord, and in the interim, my lord, I have taken a few days off for the purpose of, my lord,
All right.
these things. My lord, in the month of July, my lord, first week I am coming before this honorable court to comply with the office objections. I am unable to comply with the same. Second week of July, my lord, I file a memo, my lord, seeking liberty to withdraw the petition on those grounds. 17th of July, my lord, this matter comes forth and my lords permit me to withdraw the petition and thereafter file a fresh petition. In the interim, my lord, I'm not stalking her.
If you are still stalking, if the evidence is there, I will not stop them from registering
My lord, I'm
because it's a separate cause of action.
please, my lord. I'm not stalking her, my lord. I'm not present in the spot to stalk her at the first instance.
Where are you, sir?
I'm in Bangalore, my lord. Because I'm married, the person who I am married to is a resident of Bangalore. And thereafter.
What happened to your posting there?
But I'm unable to go there on 2 counts. First, on 16th, after 16th, the registration of this third FIR, I got arrested after a week, my lord.
All right.
And thereafter I was placed under suspension. So I'm unable to go back.
No, let's see.
Yes,
If you are stalking, then
no, my lord, I'm not stalking. That is precisely why I'm saying, my lord, in this
you are
third.
married.
Please, I'm.
So stop this stalking.
Please.
Yes.
Lordship, my lord,
ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
office may direct to give that letter, my lord, we will send it for FSL. Because he made, your lordship may have to initiate a perjury for.
Let it be sent.
Yes, madam.
Original, the registry is directed to hand over the original of page 40, yes, in page
45,
7,
45 and
47.
47.
46 and 47.
47 to the hands of the additional SPP for sending it to the FSL.
Yes.
Please.
List these matters on 18th September. Ashtal Bharata Nodi.
The interim order as against.
Interim order?
The protection from.
For what?
That has to be
Arrest.
vacated, madam. Your lordship is prevented because the subsequent, pursuant to direction of the magistrate court, we have registered the other FIR. Your lordship has asked me not to do anything till we get the report. That
What
will
report? What report?
This report your lordship summoned me last time.
FSL report.
No, this is an.
Our report.
Yes.
On the previous occasion, my lord, there was.
No, sir. You secure bail.
I'm unaware as to which.
Not a man to be shown indulgence at all.
My lord, but this 354, 354D, after the registration of this FIR, my lord, it has come into.
If you are stalking, andre ashte. 354D is stalking.
Very well, my lord, but I was not in town to stalk at the first instance. That.
Yeah, period of
Same
stalk.
period. We have the call record speaks otherwise. We have call.
Why are you calling?
No, he's not calling her. His call record brings the location of that lady's house. He's going, he's troubling.
Between
Yes.
these dates.
Yes, madam.
But it's the amount of indulgence shown in behalf of the respondent number 2. If it was shown on my behalf also, my lord, there
You
would
have got married earlier.
There would have been some truth of the matter, my lord.
No.
I have been assaulted, my lord.
You have been assaulted, you register a crime.
I have, my lord.
Now,
There was an FIR registered.
What
The
happened to
report
that?
has been filed.
Other crime register.
The report has been filed.
Why?
Two
challenged the
FIRs, my lord. 2 reports have been
He
filed.
filed a false complaint. His habit of filing the false complaint. He's challenged the B report. It's pending
Challenge
for
the B report.
My lord, on one occasion.
All right, challenge the B report. Challenge the B report. Filed a protest petition.
In one case, yes, my lord. The other case, I was informed only this month.
That's all
the
right.
beginning
Go
of
and
this
file 2 protest petitions. Let the magistrate take his decision on that.
Very well.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. But I am not going to show any indulgence to you.
As regards only this, my lord. This
I might take bail.
My lord, protection until I obtain bail, my lord, kindly, please. In this case.
Yes.
Because I'm unaware about.
Newly married.
No, I'm unaware about the registration of this FIR. And
You're
now
not yet registered.
It's already been registered.
Already registered.
This I was.
Which one?
The subsequent
354D.
direction. Yes.
ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಮಾಡಾಗಿದ್ರೆ I cannot now say anything.
Because
Secure bail.
I'm unaware about the details.
Secure bail. Give rest to your desires, sir. Secure bail.
Because, my lord, there is a chance of, my lord, respondent number 2 coming before this court and closing the matter. Because she is of the opinion that these things may not continue. At least back in the day when they had a chance to interact with each other subsequent to the registration of the first.
Comes, we will see.
Notice may kindly be ordered.
Not a case for notice. You can get the lady even otherwise. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ stalking ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You can go through the police.
Please, my lord.
They're settling the matter, let them settle.
They have no.
Because for her also it is
Yes.
better.
Yes. We will not come in away.
But this attitude of yours is wrong. You're a government servant again.
Please.
Then you lose your job, sir.
Already lost, my lord, suspended.
Suspended. There's not loss of job.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Temporary loss. Department initiate ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
No, not yet.
All right. Anyway, valiant effort, but not petitioner is not a person to whom indulgence can be shown. Yes.
Great.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು FSL ಗೆ
Like 2 pages. madam.
registry will give.
Yes, no, acknowledge the postal receipt in the letter, man. Both.
Whatever, ಅದು
Yes.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Page 45 to 47.
45 to 47 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ, pages 45 to 47. Yes, next.
Great.
Let the officers not be present on the next, let them not waste time here. Yes. 26 also, same.
Orders 27.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the second interim order idea.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Yes,
Interim
upon the
order
second
before.
respondent, yes.
Connected matters, Your Honor. 28.
Number ಕೊಡಿ.
28,
No, 28 is same order.
43, connected matter in serial
Huh?
number 43. Serial number 43 ಜೊತೆ connect ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ. Another matter is connected with serial number 43.
Special court matter. Then post it on 12th. Post it on 12th, yes. Both 27, 28. 29 a special court ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ.
59.
ಅದು interim order, madam. Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ madam. We'll take it on 12th. ಬೇಡವಾ?
Any date earlier?
No, 5th I have listed so many matters.
That's
again.
already attachment is, procedure is over.
I have given reasons, sir.
Please,
What is over?
it's a preliminary attachment is concerned.
Preliminary attachment then.
Yes,
Hold your hands, yes. I have given reason why interim order is granted.
it's a alternative property they are ready to give. Let them give, my lords, the entire,
That you,
let them
despite
file an
this, you can
affidavit.
always do that.
Let them file an affidavit, let them produce all the original document before the court.
What original documents, sir?
Because they are giving the property in alternative property for attachment. We already verified, madam, once we already verified.
All right, whatever is to be done, you can. I'll post it on 12th. List on, heard the learned senior counsel Srimati Lakshmi Iyengar appearing for the petitioner and counsel Prince Prasad.
Appearance for R2 minutes.
Leave here.
He'll appeal for the
Keyword,
husband.
R2.
There's
R2.
no conflict here. The
Formal
wife and
party.
the husband.
Formal party,
Formal part.
yes.
But your lordship, if he consents to giving those documents.
Then
then
it will, whatever it
be
is.
over this.
The learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance for the second
Please
second
proceed,
respondent. List the matter on 12th, interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Be the only matter before your lordship where the wife and husband aren't squabbling.
Aren't squabbling. That's. Otherwise, ಬರೀ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Yes.
Hearing on IA 30.
My lords, this was directed to be connected along with serial number 43, my lords, sir.
Special court matter.
Special
ಅವತ್ತೇ
court
ಬರ್ಲಿ. List on 12th.
may be connected with serial number 43, my lords, because they have mentioned that it is like a criminal
43
petition number
na?
5255.
I am here
in 43,
But
there is some urgency here. Your lordships may permit me to make some submissions when the matter reaches.
ಆಯ್ತು. B group, stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
Only interim protection has been
ಧಾರವಾಡ
granted.
ತಾನೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ I heard it ಅದಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
no, madam, fresh matter.
Fresh matter.
All right. This will take it on 12th, that I'll hear.
I'm ready.
Lord, sir, in this case also, my lords, sir, there is an issue wherein.
Wait, sir. Yes.
Accused number,
I appear for.
may I mention it when it is
The
43
trial
is
is
taken up?
already-
my lords?
I'll hear you at 43, sir, wait. Yes.
Much obliged, my lords, much obliged. I'm sorry.
I appear for the petitioners, my lord.
It's a 313 statement, it's a matter.
Trial has already been commenced in honorable trial court.
So posted for a 313 statement, that's the reason, my lords, in fact.
Yeah, it may be dismissed.
May be dismissed. Vijay, Meenakshi Bala. Next. Disposed, yes.
32.
Representing the petitioner in this case. The charge sheet and documents have been on record, Your Lordship. The allegation is that the petitioner, who was 19 years old then, had entered the house of the respondent number 2. Actually, there are a lot of cases pending between the respondent number 2 and the accused number 1.
ಏನ್
here-
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ
ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್
ಇದೆ ಇದೆ.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್
Charge
ಹಾಕಿದೆ
sheet ಆಗಿದೆ, charge sheet
ಮತ್ತೆ
is-
ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, my lord, they not produced the entire.
ಆಯ್ತು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್
So we have
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್
produced it, your lordship, and she has to enroll, your lordship. She has finished law. She is waiting for this to be.
ಹೂ
done.
petitioner
Petitioner.
wait list on 2nd September in the fresh matters list close. Yes, next
33.
I appear for that.
what happened? Mediation
Mediation has failed, my lord.
mediation fail ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಕ್
50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬೇಕಂತ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Marriage is not even consummated and
ಓ,
divorce
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
has been granted on my.
ಅದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ?
During
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ.
during marriage, my lord, they took my lord 10 lakhs rupee. And my lord, apart from the my lord 10 lakh, my lord, other things also my lord they have taken. But they have calculated my lord approximately that my lord they
ಇನ್ನು
are
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
10 lakhs ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ my lord.
You are for the wife?
I am for the wife. My lord, husband, my lord, husband is in husband's petition, my lord.
All
Husband's
right,
petition.
you are demanding 50 lakhs, is it?
Yes, that is what they demanded in the mediation, my lord. 50 lakhs. My client is
Lord,
not.
I
in the
suggested them, my lord, they are ready to give 10 lakhs rupees, my lord, at least make it 25, my lord, settle it matter.
They don't have too much of money. He is
ಇಲ್ಲ, hear it on merits first. The parties to the list should submit talks of settlement have failed. Therefore, the matter is to be heard on its merit. List the matter on 20th September. Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
On 3rd September.
All
instead
right,
of
no
2nd.
no
3rd.
3rd September, fresh matters list, yes.
34.
ಇದು ಅದೇನಾ?
For our two matters.
The
I'm
accused is
praying
in
for
custody.
time.
Huh?
The accused is in custody, my lord.
Why?
He seeks to settle because proclamation was ordered. He was not in town at that moment. Subsequently, as soon as he came down, he was
Proclamation is in consonance with 82 or contrary?
arrested. It is all in consonance. He has also evaded arrest in the past.
Then what to do?
But the issue is, my lord, he wants to settle the matter with the respondent number 2. Allegation is very brief. The property was registered in the name of the respondent number 2. Sale agreement was made in the name of respondent number 2, but was subsequently registered in the name of somebody else. That's the bare allegations, my lord.
ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ದುಡ್ಡು?
35 lakh rupees.
35
lakh rupees.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
We are willing to 5 lakhs already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. in 30 ಲಕ್ಷ ನಾವು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ we are willing to return it.
Settle it.
My lords, I'm praying for time. Seniors held up in another
That's
court.
beyond that something, madam. You should get some instruction. 30 lakhs, 30 lakhs is to be paid.
In fact,
Drop a term of settlement. Either I will send you back to the bars.
ಇಲ್ಲ but they had also initiated proceedings before the consumer forum. There, my lord, they come forward.
It's all right. You 30 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Everything gets closed.
No, we are willing to return it, but in
Why are you in
installments.
custody? Because of proclamation.
My lords,
Now,
What stay have you sought?
this is a pending matter, my lord.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we'll fix a date then.
Please.
my lords, it may be taken up next week. I don't have.
I'll
time.
take it up next week. You don't have instructions, true, but get instructions.
Yes.
Yes, by the next time again, you should not say I have no instructions.
Yes.
List the matter on 5th September.
Great.
By then you try to settle the issue.
September, next week, any date, my lord, because
Next week ಬೇಕಾ? 31st Saturday. Yes. Next.
35.
ಈಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನಾ ಇದು?
Yes, I filed an application for defreezing of my bank account. I request for a week's time, my lord.
A date may be fixed, your lords, for hearing.
ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
It is not reserved.
The connected petition was allowed.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute. I thought I had.
This was not reserved.
Is at work.
Different matter.
ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು
Different
madam?
matter, my lord.
That is a different
One I have
petition.
reserved.
That's a different petition, your lordship.
Different petition. This has nothing to do with that.
Nothing to do with it.
A week's time may be given, my lords.
A date may be fixed, your lords.
List on 11th September,
Please.
Next week, your lordship.
next week. Or 4th September, yes. Next.
This is regarding interim custody of that document, my lord, sale deed. But my mother is the owner of the property. The accused number 7 impersonated my mother and mortgaged the property to the bank by producing this sale deed. No, it is not nobody, it is not a third party's case. It is a bank's case, my lord, page 55, my lord, may I take your lordship to page 55. Extract of the complaint starts on page 54, paragraph 8. My lord. The bank's case is that during the site inspection, they came to know that the actual owner of the property has not mortgaged has not created the mortgage.
Again, crime register madidara.
Crime register agi trial is going on now. Now this document is also marked as exhibit P48.
All right.
Ultimately, my lord, I have to establish a better claim, my lord, than the de facto complainant.
All right.
It is the bank's case that I am the owner of the property. I never mortgaged. No, my lord, bank initiated proceedings before DRT.
That is rejected now.
That
451, 457 is rejected.
that is rejected. Now, DRT, my lord, they has held that the mortgage as against me is not established. The petition, that is recovery proceedings against me is closed now, page 74.
Yes, sir.
The relevant page is page.
Original documents jacket.
What had happened, my lord, in this matter, the defendant, my lord, the BS Padmavati, the mother, grandmother of my lord, petitioner, my lord, is a guarantor of my loan, which I availed, my lord, 35 crore rupees in the year of 2019. My lord, what had happened, we filed a original application. Original application, my lord, against the defendant number 3 and 4 got dismissed. We prepared an appeal before DRAT, that is, my lord, appeal number 46 of 2019. My lord, it is pending for, my lord, adjudication. The entire
that
matter, my
appeal,
lord, the original sale lead with me. My lord, it is, my lord, my case, my lord, they mortgaged the property in my favor while availing the loan from me. And my lord, now, my lord, they seek my
Loan is cleared.
Don't Kotila, it's a fraud taken place, my lord, they're not a 1 rupees paid in this matter. So immediately, my lord, it's a quick mortality and we are not able to.
Now, who is the mortgagee?
My lord, defendant, my lord, the
Mortgage
grandmother of my lord petitioner.
My mother is, my lord, the
Mother.
owner. She
Mother.
is not the
So, sir,
mortgagee.
I'm
Mortgage
mother
is accused
of the,
number
my lord,
7.
petitioner.
Accused number 7 is the
Time comes
mortgage.
to, my lord, for a moment, my lord, Annex Sheriff page number 74. TA number 57 of 2017, I filed before the DRT. 75, my lord, defendant number 3, BS Padmavati. She is according to my lord, she is the guarantor. She, my lord, created a mortgage in my favor.
Now, Padmavati creates a mortgage in favor of the bank.
Please, my lord.
That loan is still pending.
Pending.
Now, who is this petitioner?
My lord, he is claiming, son
I am the
son of the, my lord, Padmavati.
I am the son of the petitioner. No, it is completely against the case of the bank. It is not Padmavati who has created the mortgage. My lord, it is the bank who is the complainant. My lord files the complaint saying that the accused number 7 has impersonated Padmavati and created the mortgage. That is the case of the bank.
Let the documents be there.
Page 54, my lord.
Will not, again, for correct, rejection is correct.
No, because, my lord, now, DRT, page 17, my lord, for a moment, my lord. I will persuade only these 2 points, my lord. Page 79, paragraph 2.
Yes.
In fact, perusal of the complaint dated 21/12/2012 filed by the bank. It is not, my lord, a third party files a complaint. Bank itself admits that, my lord, Padmavati has not created the mortgage. Somebody has impersonated, accused number 7 has impersonated Padmavati. Itself with CBI clearly shows in para 8 of page number 4 of the complaint that Srimati Padmavati, who is the actual owner of the property, has not created any mortgage. And she has been impersonated by other defendants. It is bank's case. Though
Now,
AW1
who
Sri
secure,
Venkatraman-
1 minute, who secures the loan?
But loan is
Who's,
secured by
who's the beneficiary of the
accused
loan?
number 7, my lord.
Who is that?
She is one Srimati Veena BC.
Who is she?
Accused number 7 is my daughter-in-law. She impersonated me.
Anything else? Sir?
My lord, this is the fact, my lord, which
No,
transpired.
Anything else? When do you want? Sir? Yes. All of them partners in crime.
No, we are not partner.
Yes, sir.
Virtually, my lord, I have not signed any
Your
document.
daughter-in-law has impersonated you.
Daughter-in-law, my lord, they are made as accused. My lord, initially, I was made as accused, but subsequently, no charge sheet is filed against me. My lord, it is a conspiracy by my.
All right, where should the bank go with 35 crores? Sir?
35 crore which.
My lord, that is what. My lord,
No,
now, my lord, your lordship may see, my learned friend says appeal is pending before DRAT. My lord, in the appeal, now, though Padmavati died 5 years back, my lord, still appeal is being prosecuted against a dead person. This is, my lord, the
That is
diligence.
a
what they
different
have
cause of
shown.
action. You're on 451, 457.
No, when bank says, I'm sorry, I'm persuading this one. When bank says,
Yes.
no, when bank says, I'm not the mortgager, I can understand, madam, if a third party files a complaint saying that
No,
Padmavati
we
is
will
the-
not further frustrate the rights of the bank. We'll see. Yes, list after 2 weeks.
I'll know.
What I would, I'm sorry, madam.
Yes, sir.
Even if, my lord, the original sale deed is, because I'm otherwise, my lord, I'm the eligible legal heir for my mother. My lord, I shall say, my lord, I will not create any mortgage or I will not create third party interest, my lord.
Then why do you
The
need
property
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
will
ಇರ್ಲಿ
not be
ಬಿಡಿ
sold.
document ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು?
Original document, my lord,
ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
it's valuable
When
property.
you are
original
not going to
document.
create anything out of it, why do you need it?
Well, if that is,
If they are going to dispossess you, tell me, we will do some.
No, there is
Then
nothing like that.
If you are not using it for anything else,
No, if
ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೇನು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೇನು.
No, if it is only bank's operation that the property may put to any encumbrance.
No, obviously, sir. They have to secure their right.
Encumbrance
And who is the
certificate.
complainant?
Complaint is the bank, my lord.
You,
Complainant is CBI.
who are you? CBI.
CBI, the case is with the CBI now.
Oh, because it is beyond
Investigation is by the CBI. But
50
bank
crores
official-
ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ?
24 crores, my lord,
At the time of
loan
family
amount.
loan.
Oh, then it was,
Some bank officials also been arraigned as accused.
it's not as simple as you put it. Yes.
The
Next.
release of property is only interim custody, my lord, that is what I have saw.
What do you want to do? You don't want to do anything with it. Yes. Putting a frame in the house, nothing else. Yes.
After 2 weeks.
For the petition, my lord, it's under the Buds Act. The deposit is made by the complainant to the A1. And he is an unemployed person who claims to have given 18 lakhs to A1. The agreement is also between A1 and the complainant. The petitioners are A2 and A3, my lord, A father, and they are not involved.
But that, sir. Joint and several.
The vague allegations are made, my lord.
No. Yes. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ it's Buds Act. ವೇಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Yes. One ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? One HCGP, 2 emergent notice.
What is already issued, man?
Which matter is this? Oh, it's
37,
already,
my lord.
yes, list after 2 weeks. Next.
Please.
38.
It's a case where departmental inquiry exoneration in disproportionate of assets case. The Lordship has asked us to, ask senior to be present and make submission on Puneet Sabharwal judgment. To
13th.
Good.
13th.
39.
Transfer
Transfer petition, my lord.
Transfer petition, ಬೇರೆ court ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬೇರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ
ಬೇರೆ
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
court.
407.
Transfer of-
ಹೌದು. Is nine
Registry is directed to list the matter before the bench having appropriate roster.
Petitioner's counsel.
Yes, sir.
It's under on the allegation that in a godown, the accused number 1 had stored ganja on the statement of accused number 2.
Where is it recovered from?
Please,
Where is ganja recovered from?
accused number 2, while going on a scooter, he is supposed to have been stopped. He was found in possession of some ganja, this thing. Then accused number 2 says, I have further stocks in the godown. He had the godown key. He, even according to the police master itself, he opens the godown and it is being.
Whose godown is that?
Godown belongs to the daughter of the present A1. Of course, her statement is recorded saying, my husband is in Dubai. My father is looking after the godown. But this entire story is on a statement of accused number 2.
Your name is Farzia?
Farzu.
Farzu. Oh, yes.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು
ಬೇಲ್
ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿ-
ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
Absconding
ಇಲ್ಲ
charge
ಇಲ್ಲ
sheet is-
ಬೇಲು ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದವಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್.
If there, it had stopped at confession statement and nothing else, definitely you would have interfered. It has led to the go down. Go down belongs,
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗೇನೆ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಕೀ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಗೋಡೌನ್ ಕೀ, ಗೋಡೌನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಡೌನಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಗೋಡೌನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಲೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗೋಡೌನ್.
that's all right, that we'll see. We'll bear the papers of investigation.
I'll place it on record.
Place it, please. Heard the
But on
learned
the last
senior,
occasion also, they were directed to appear before the investigating officer. Till
not
date, my lord-
cooperating.
No, my lord, till date.
You are
they
in
not
Dubai.
appear.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ
appear
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಗಿ investigation. ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? It will be easy for you to take him in. All right, we'll list it on 12th. Ashtal bail kotre, I will see. Yes. Let the learned senior counsel J. Kumar S. Patil appearing for the petition. List the matter on September the 12th, 2024. Next.
41.
In this case, appear for petitioners, my lord. Senior is some inconvenience. It may be kindly take up on Wednesday, my lords.
Enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ತಾವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ
ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೊಡದ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್
ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Change
ಹಾ,
ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ,
ಆಗಿದೆ
your lordship last date of occasion.
Eternal uncle.
ಹೌದು,
ಹೌದು.
ಅದನ್ನ change ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Better.
But the issue is, my lord, that 102 proceeding, 102, not following up 102 CRPC proceeding. Is that the investigation officer has not seized anything. It only requested the bank to not to allow operation of lockers. So therefore, following up 102.
That is also stopping from using his property is also seizure of property. You want me to answer? I'll answer. ನಾನು ಏನು ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. That is more than enough.
Now they have
That's
written a
a- That's
letter.
a property with him, sir. If you don't allow him to operate his property, it is virtually seizure of the property.
He will join.
Freezement order is also 102 compliance ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. But anyway, that departmental inquiry or whatever it is.
Yes.
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೀಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್
ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್
ಅದ್ರೂ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ
If they want to deposit money, we have no problem. Why should we have?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನೇ ಅವ್ರ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೂ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲೋನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಆದ್ರೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಐದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್.
ಎನಿವೆ, ಈಗ ಮೆಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್.
ಈಗ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್.
Where I have permitted defreezing.
By order dated your last.
ಅಲ್ಲ, freezing ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ actually ಇದ್ರ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, permitted
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, permitted to operate the bank accounts ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
It is open to seek
ಹೌದು,
advancement, made clear petitioner will not come in the way.
By order dated 22/7/24.
22/7?
22/7/24, my lords.
9/7.
22/7. Your lordship is permitted to operate the.
1 minute, sir.
Please.
The locker shall remain frozen ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೆದಿದೆ.
Loan account. I am asking for operation of loan account, my lord. This is the letter addressed by the earlier investigation officer.
That
Loan
means
account may be.
Loan
operated.
account ಮಾತ್ರ permit ಮಾಡಿ.
Please.
That's one submission.
ನೀವ್ಯಾರು ಸರ್?
Let's say I appear for respondent number 2 complainant, my lords.
ಲೋನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬೇಡವಾ?
No, let's if it is restricted to payment of the
Loan account only, not the lockers.
but they should not be able to release the gold which has been mortgaged, my lords, which has been.
This is the letter addressed by.
Yes. The, as a clarification further to the order dated 22/7/2024. In the circumstance, I deem it appropriate to permit the petitioner to operate the loan account. However, it would not mean that the gold that is the subject matter of mortgage towards the loan would be released in favor of the petitioner without the leave of the court.
Please.
All other conditions stipulated or all other observations made in the order dated 22/7/2024 shall remain intact. Yes,
It may be kindly take up on Wednesday.
no, sir. Yes, we'll take it. Placed on 20th. Next.
42.
Not 138, 311 application.
Hello, Madada. Bedwa.
There are 3 days continuously cross-examination in the PW1, my lord.
Wednesday, fresh matters. We'll dispose it.
Please.
Next.
B group,
So, not to
43.
pres- earlier, not to prescribe.
ಏನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ
ತಾವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್.
ಆತರ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದು ನಾನು
Not to precipitate ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟ್ ಸರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡು. ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಹಾ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ?
Please, my lord. Well, that's the order of reference under 156(3).
All right.
What is my lord challenged in this writ petition?
All right.
Well, the legal proposition insofar as the want of sanction when a reference is made under 156(3) is seized off, my lords, before the larger bench of the Supreme Court in a reference, my lord, that was made in Manju Surana's case.
Yo, that is MKIP is referred in 2018 itself.
Manju
Yes, sir.
Surana, my lords, Manju
6
Surana,
ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ.
larger bench, my lords, is seized off with this matter.
ಹೌದು.
In fact, my lords, in yet another case where this, my lords, issue had come up before the coordinate bench, my lords, of the Honorable Supreme Court. The coordinate
bench of the Honorable Supreme
No, I'm sorry, I beg your pardon. My lords, another bench of the Supreme Court, my lords, the bench of the Honorable, my lords, the Supreme Court, my lords, has said, requested the larger bench, my lords, to dispose of the reference that is made to the larger bench at the earliest possible.
Dispose ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
My lords, the same legal proposition, my lords, is involved in this case.
All right.
And my lords, the investigation is now being continued as against me. My lords, that is the first legal proposition, my lords, insofar as why, my lords, this order suffered. My lords, the second proposition, there is absolutely no allegation against me at all. The subject matter of the complaint is in relation to, my lords, appointments that were made, my lords, in 2011. A complaint, my lords, is filed in 2024, saying that, my lord, the appointments that are made are illegal. And my lord, this complaint, my lords, is by a pro bono publico. The complaint, my lords, which your lordships will find at page number 19. My lords, the trial magistrate, may I request my lords to kindly turn to the impugned order which my lords would get. At page number, my lord, 60 of my petition. That is the impugned order of reference. There is absolutely no discussion, my lords, insofar as what are the allegations against me in the complaint for the trial court, my lords, to arrive at a conclusion that reference should be made at the hands of the police. Absolutely no discussion at all.
Seriously.
Please, my lords, may I request my lords to kindly turn to, my lords, the reasoning, which, my lords, will commence at page number 69.
Page 53 to 58 is the order under 156(3).
Please.
ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ it will become an order of cognizance or a mini trial.
Court has protected him, my lord.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Protect ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು. By order dated 5/7/2024, he's been
What
protected.
is the protection?
Not to arrest and is directed to.
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಜಯ್?
Well, the investigation is now being continued against me. I am only trying to persuade your lordships. When, my lords, the legal proposition insofar as the matter being seized off before the larger bench. And similar cases, my lord, I am posing a question to myself. Supposing, my lord, the larger bench comes to a conclusion that yes, their sanction is a mandatory, is a sine qua non prior to a reference being made under 156(3). My lords, I am now being subjected to the entire process of investigation.
Sanction ಅವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. MK Ayyappa is 2013 8 SCs, all right. MK Ayyappa was rendered at the time when 17A was not in the statute book. Reference in Manju Surana happens 3 months before the statute is amended on 26/7/2018. So 17A has come into picture. Now the sanction is not what is required to be answered. It is approval, whether approval should be there or not to investigate. This is a private complaint. Private complaint registered neither without sanction nor without approval. Those are the points you left. Sanction.
May I just pursue a lordship?
Sanction 156(3) order is perfectly legal. There is nothing more needed.
Well,
But those are the points because private complaint is registered today in 2024 when the statute has 17A in it. Incidents may have been something else.
Please.
So you can't harp upon either MK Ayappa or Manju Surana being referred to a larger bench.
My lords, may I request my lords to kindly kindly peruse the affidavit.
Protect ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಗೆ?
My lords, I am only trying to persuade your lordship that the investigation my lords, I am being put to the process of investigation. On the basis of a complaint, my lords, for an incident which has taken place in 2011, my lords, I am certainly not before your lordships to persuade your lordships on the facts of the case. Because, my lords, I am not at all.
Facts of the case.
My lords, the
No, in
merit.
fact, you should persuade facts of the
My lords,
case.
my lords,
The only thing you have now.
No, no.
Legally, ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Can I persuade your lordships to kindly peruse, my lords, the affidavit that is filed in support of this complaint? My lords, what the trial magistrate would do is give a direction, my lords, to the second respondent that the affidavit that you have now filed is not in compliance with the dictum, my lords, laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in Priyanka Srivatsava.
All right.
And thereafter, my lords, the chance was given, my lords, to the second respondent to file another affidavit.
All
The
right.
records of the case reveal that no such affidavit was filed pursuant to such direction. So, my lords, the complaint, my lords, on.
We'll get the records.
My lords,
Get the records and. The
until such
registry
time,
is
your
direct-
lordships may kindly consider, my lords, stay of the investigation.
You get the investigation papers also. The registry is directed to secure the trial court records in PCR so and so. The learned additional SPP is directed to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court on the next date. List the matter on 5th September.
Very well. I'm great.
Connected matters were listed on 12.
Oh, it's 12th September. You came out of the VC.
I was here.
You're here on this.
No, your lordships may kindly have it on 5th, my lords, subject to my lord's convenience.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
Because,
Protection
my lords,
ಆಗಿದೆ.
my lords, I am certainly, my lords, protected by the order of this honorable court.
Kindly those
I'm-
matters also.
I'm-
Yes. Wait, sir. Oh, you sail or sink with him, is it? ಹೌದಾ?
Think with the case.
ಅಲ್ಲ with him ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಸೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು.
Same.
If you are sailing or sinking with him, then we'll see. 5th ಬರಲಿ. 5th.
27, 28 also.
ಎರಡು 27, 28, 5th in seriatim.
I'm great.
All right. So that's not the submission now. MK Ayappa, Manju Surana have all gone. That was pre-17A.
It's not on 17, not PC Act.
PC Act ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
IPC offences.
IPC offenses.
All are, my lords.
But sanction ಯಾವುದು 197?
197, under 197. My lords, whether sanction is required while making a reference under 156(3 is the subject matter. In fact, my lords, what the trial magistrate would do is, my lords, place reliance on a judgment that was passed, my lords, by the coordinate bench of this honorable court in Yediyurappa's matter.
MK Ayappa was PC offenses.
PC offences. My lords, the trial magistrate would place reliance, my lords, on a coordinate bench, or on the judgment, my lords, of the coordinate bench of this honorable court in Yediyurappa's matter. That judgment, my lords, has been stayed by the honorable Supreme Court. And when, my lords, the second, it has been, my lords, if I may persuade you.
All right.
That,
5th we'll see.
very well.
I thought PC offenses.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ
IPC offenses.
Allegation, my lords, in relation to illegal appointments, and my lords, the offenses are 420 and 468.
We'll see. That will. On the merit of the matter, we'll see.
Very good. I'm grateful.
I thought it's PC offenses.
All are IPC.
Then MK Ayappa is not even applicable. Those are PC Act offenses. Yes.
I'm grateful.
My lord, serial number 30, my lord, so which had to come along with.
ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. I thought he came out from the VC. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes.
It's a matter, my lord, I'm an authorized officer of the bank. But, my lord, pursuant to, my lord, I initiated action under Suffici Act.
The respondent number 2 complainant in this case, my lord, filed my wakalat on 5/8/2024.
All right. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್?
My lord, I initiated action under
Stay
Suffici.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ.
Say ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, my lord. The short point is involved is, my lord, they saying that, my lord, pursuant to availing the loan, my lord, they are not utilized. They, my lord, they executed the, my lord, mortgage deed subsequent to, my lord.
NOC ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
No, my lord, not NOC, my lord, it's
Why do you want
This may
time?
be directed to-
Why do you want connected to?
Not connected, my lord, but we filed the fresh wakalat for complainant. My lord. There is not NOC, my lord, from,
44, Sandhya Prabhu.
it's not Sandhya Prabhu, my lord,
ಮತ್ತೆ?
it's Akash B. Shetty.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲೋಡ್ connected matter ಮಿಲೋಡ್ appeared by ಮಿಲೋಡ್ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರಭು in the ಮಿಲೋಡ್
Yes, my lord.
GMRS.
That's why
This honorable court directed
that
her to
name is
accept the
implicated.
notice and ಮಿಲೋಡ್ now my
Now,
friend is
registry to delete the name of Sandhya Prabhu is appearing for the second respondent and print the name of so and so as appearing for the second respondent. List on 18th.
I'll
18th.
file my objection.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
further
Object-
order ತನಕ ಇದೆ ಇದು. till further
ಸರಿ,
till dispose.
ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Objections if any by the next date. Next.
Please.
Sorry for the interruption. Malaj, item number 43, interim order may kindly be ordered to be.
Whatever order is there.
Sorry,
kindly
I'm late.
yes.
14 settlement 45.
Petition in this case.
Offense
420, madam.
420.
Breach of promise to marriage.
Will is settled. Memorandum of settlement, compounding application ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. Hmm. 406, 420. Yes.
Grateful, madam.
Next. Sign. Madam. Signature ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದು yes, ಕೊಡಿ. 233 end of the list. ಬಂತ. PS ಪ್ರಸಾದ್. ಕೊಡಿ.
Doctor, it's matter. Number 1 orders BS Prasad.
Petitions are agents, my lord. These petitions.
Yes, sir.
These petitions are agents, my lord. The company is not made as a party and filed a complaint. Their all amount is a deposit to the company. In Chennai also, my lord, similar set of facts. Chennai High Court, my lord, passed the proceedings as against the company.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
And in Supreme Court also it's confirmed. In
What
the-
confirmed? ಕೊಡಿ.
In this case, my lord, they are not made as a company, as a party.
Question it. Offense in 406, 420. Yes.
Like really, I think this they had some compromise, not a lordship, if he pays.
Again, urgency ಏನು?
Urgency, framing of charge, my lord, is 27th, my lord, that's
ನಾಳೆ, Tuesday.
Tuesday.
We'll take it on 30th.
2010 matter.
I know. ಅಲ್ಲ, this,
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ seems to be my lord that there is a compromise
They
settlement. was
deposited
strong.
the amount because they filed a complaint as against the company.
we'll see on that day. Yes. Learned additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the first respondent. Complainant ಯಾರು?
Complaint, second response.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು
Sir.
sir. Who is it?
He's also an agent. And he
Emergent
filed-
notice to the second respondent returnable by the 30th, 31st. List the matter on 31st. The concerned court shall defer the act of framing of charges which the learned counsel for the petitioner would be submits that would be done on the 27th of September 2024 till further orders from the hands of this court. Yes. 31st, you look into it.
Yes.
If it's covered, we'll see.
Yes.
Yes. All three, same order. Sargbidi madam. Bangalore moves on.
This one continued. Further hearing. 46.
Please.
I appear for petition, my lord. My lord, DD
I'm
is ready.
preparing for the learned counsel for the respondent, my lord.
What is ready? DD is ready. We will report settlement in the next week, my lord. Your lordship may have it any date in the.
The DD is ready, that can be handed over today only, my lord, in the case where specific performance, my lord, directed.
Joint memo needs.
DD,
My lords.
I have not.
The deed is ready, your lords may kindly record it and finish, my
Party
lord.
has
Please,
come
my lord,
from Bangalore, my lords. He's a senior citizen.
We'll take it on Tuesday then.
My lord,
DD ready ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೆ?
joint memo.
ಅದು ಬರೀ ಫೋಟೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ, madam. The copy also sent to the
ಅದೇ
other side.
ಕಾಪಿನೇ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನು?
Your lords may have it on Thursday.
No, we are the complainant, we will withdraw the case. The deed is ready, we rely upon that, and this is a 420 case, my lords, where they have
ಮತ್ತೆ-
despite the agreement.
ಇದು ಕೇಸ್ 420 ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
It can be closed today only, my lords, there is nothing.
ಇಲ್ಲ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್.
My lord, Thursday or Friday, my lord.
ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Friday or Saturday.
Huh?
Friday or Saturday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. List on Friday in the fresh matters list. In the event no demand draft is placed on record, the matter would be taken upon its merit.
Grateful.
Yes.
47.
It's a case, my lords, of 304B, 498A, 3 and 4 of Dowry Act against the relatives of the wife, deceased wife. In fact, last occasion, your lordships had asked them investigation for others. We are, my lords, 8 and 9. The
As against
investigation for-
accused number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10, my lord, there is already another writ petition pending and there is an stay of, my lord.
Stay ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. 2,777,
As
1
I am
of 20.
concerned, my lords, I am relative of the wife. She is my niece.
Anything
Niece
against
can't
them?
be attributed with
There's a
deep
death
profile.
note, my
Maybe
lord, there
I-
are allegations. I am for the second respondent,
Complainant.
please.
Complainant is my brother's wife. Brother does not file. I am not.
Numbers ತಗೊಂಡ್ರದು? Yes, tag this petition, heard the learned senior counsel Ken Panindra appearing for the petitioner and counsel Srimati Vandana Krishna. List them, what's that? ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 21st.
23rd ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 21st ತನಕ ನಾನು ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಇರಲ್ವಾ?
15 to 21st.
ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2nd October ಇಂದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
Dropping my son, my lord's college.
Then we'll take it on 20th.
Please.
It's okay? 20th, yes. Along with the other two numbers.
Fast.
Yes.
48.
48.
My lords,
ಏನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು matters, what are all these?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ a series of FIRs filed by a consortium of persons, my lords.
This is
Actually, my
the-
lords are directed to file a synopsis. I had filed, now copy has been served upon me.
But this is the case where the accused was involved in forging the CM and the governor's letterhead.
Oh.
I am filing the synopsis in.
CM's letterhead, huh?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I think SPP is here,
Last
sorry, I
Friday.
didn't see you, yes.
No, no, I appear in all the matters.
CM's letterhead ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
when did these offences happen?
Lords, synopsis, he served upon me just now, my lords. His synopsis. So I have filed last week and I had.
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ letterhead ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Just one moment.
This is not connected to this. I am not appearing in those cases.
Yes, madam, ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
I appear in one of the matter, my lord, 5012 for respondent number 2.
In that.
I have filed my objections in the.
Already, yes. ನೀವು?
The synopsis, my lord, most of it is already.
Synopsis,
In two, there are two matters.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. Most of it is collected from whatever they have given to me in this
All right,
case.
ಅವ್ರ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
Yes, Velliappa sir.
This matter, my lord, his grievance is that more than one FIR is registered in one transaction. So
More
we
than
are
one
now-
letterhead is used.
Lords,
More than one letterhead is used for several
it's
purposes.
a single transaction.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು FIR?
There's only one FIR.
My
Last
lords,
two matters.
I may be
It is
permitted to
last
submit,
two-
my lords. This particular FIR is very latest one.
Ah.
My lords, what has happened in this particular matter is, initially, the petitioner purchased one house property in Malleshwaram. My lords, at the last instance, my senior counsel had appeared in this matter. In connection with that, my lords, the seller of the property instigates some other persons to register several other FIRs, which have also been challenged here. My lords, 48.111335 is the first FIR,
Yes.
which is registered by one Ashwin P. And my lords, 48.112267 is registered by one Veena Narayan. And 48.3 is by another who is her business manager. And 48.4.
No, all in the same cause of action?
No, different cause of action, but what happens is, first Ashwin P registers an FIR
against me, saying that I have duped him for GST dues. What happens prior to this is that, my lord, in the year 2022, I registered a FIR against them because they barged into my house. That FIR is also on record, in which, my lord, some checks were mentioned. Those checks themselves are mentioned in their FIR.
Let all the crimes be investigated.
My lords, everything, my lords, I have prepared entire list of compilation, which I will be able to demonstrate effectively, my lords. Kindly, any date, he has served a copy upon me. Any date,
31st.
my lords. Yes.
31st Saturday.
Rightful, my lords,
Yes.
Interim order may be continued.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ, my lords.
List
ಮತ್ತೆ
on,
ಇಲ್ಲ, yes,
list on 31st. Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date. Okay.
Great.
Yes. ರವಿಶಂಕರ್
ರವಿಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, my lord, last time.
ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ದಿದೆ, my lords. They also served upon me just now.
ಆಯ್ತು.
That I
That is
was
also
placed on record. My synopsis is.
405 and 409 and 417, where they have been prosecution ordered to withdraw the prosecution, exonerated, and in the disciplinary proceedings.
Oh,
At the
detail
last
interim-
occasion, your lordship.
Detail interim order I have granted.
And now their promotions, some of them have dead, some of them in the verge of retirement. 2018 onwards, my lord, they have been kept under the sealed cover.
Wednesday in the fresh matters list. We'll close it.
All ಇದೊಂದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಬಾಕಿದ್ದು ಯಾರ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
50.
Appear for respondent number 2 in all of these matters.
Yes.
This is the matter which has been
False in
partly heard.
false in uno, false in omnibus.
Please.
Yes. Hmm.
My request is, Your Honor,
Falses. Yes.
serial number 50.1, which is the first matter in which the interim order dated 4th of March 2022 was granted. That matter, and 50.9, which is the most recent matter where there is no interim order. I may be permitted to argue that because 1869 of
Which was the first matter where interim order was
50.1.
granted? You said there was no interim order granted.
50.1 interim order was granted.
No, no, no. On the basis of what interim order?
Please.
In
On
which
the-
matter was the first interim order granted?
In 50.1,
Could
the
you-
interim order that is granted, if Your Honor sees,
That is not my interim order, earlier interim order.
50.1 is Your Honor's interim order. That interim order relies upon their submission that it is a matter of record that this honorable court in writ petition 15170 of 2021, GM CPC has made a finding that the dispute between the parties can be said to be one for money at best.
That is Justice Shyam Prasad.
Please.
Yes. Correct.
That interim
Shyam
order,
Prasad order ತಾನೆ?
please.
Yes.
Now, my respectful submission is that when that order is looked at, two submissions. That matter was a matter in relation to an IP suit that was filed by me. And there, what is submitted by them as the finding of the court is not the finding of the court. It is the submission of the learned senior counsel appearing, and the court ex parte says in consideration of the above submissions.
We'll post it on Wednesday at 4 PM.
Please.
We'll
May I-
hear it and dispose
Please,
it. Yes.
May I make two?
Synopsis. Huh? No, Bhaskar.
For Tuesday.
I-
Monday to Saturday, I'm not in town.
Tuesday is fine,
Please.
but you may have to wait. Yes.
Tuesday ನನಗಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು Wednesday.
ಯಾಕೆ?
Afternoon I have some.
No, sir. Where do you want to go?
ಇಲ್ಲೇನೆ,
ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ, but
Come. Yes.
it's awkward to say I'm in an arbitration.
Finish that and come. It'll be, I'll also have 300 matters. We'll have listed this. We'll see.
Two submissions, Your Honor. One, 50.1 specifically is relating to an offense under the Copyright Act.
We'll answer all your issues. Don't worry.
Please.
We'll,
We've reached a compromise amongst ourselves, Wednesday at 2:30.
all right.
Can I make one
Wednesday,
request?
4 PM.
4 p.m. Very good, very good.
Your Honor had directed us to file copies and compilations. Synopses are also on record. In the various compilations that they have filed, certain relevant documents are missed out.
So file it.
It is already on record in the petitions. So
No, if they have missed out on something,
I will have to direct, because if I file a compilation, it will run into about 5,000 pages. I do not, the file is already almost, because all of the petitions,
5,000 pages you want to rely on.
what they have done is they have filed selectively certain documents from their own petitions in different compilations.
All right, 5,000 pages ಎಲ್ಲ
In fact,
ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು
he
ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a
finds
matter of
fault
trial.
with us that we have not placed enough. We
Sir,
thought we'll keep it.
The very interim order on which they are relying is not there in their
I will see.
compilation. Grateful.
5,000 pages ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a matter of trial. Yes.
Yes, in a civil proceeding. Your lordships are right.
Oh,
Not in
whatever.
a criminal proceeding.
It relates to an infringement of a trademark, which is undisputed.
Yes.
Oh,
All right. Wednesday, 4 p.m.
Lordships, great.
Heard the learned senior counsel C.K. Nandakumar and what's your name?
Paras Pandey, Your Honor.
Paras Pandey appearing for the respondent. List the matter at 4 p.m. on Wednesday.
Only one submission. In 50.9, there is no interim order.
There is no interim
There
order?
is no interim order.
There is no interim.
No, the reason is when it had come up,
On Wednesday.
please.
Grateful.
21st September. Interim order granted earlier stands extended to the next date of hearing. ಏನಿದು ಪೋಕ್ಸೋನಾ?
Yes, my lords, ಅದು discharge summary ಮತ್ತೆ birth certificate, I'll place it in registry.
ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ
ಮಗು
ಇದು
case.
ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ
Poxo, my lords.
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ DNA.
Yes, my lords. DNA ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ.
ಜಗದೀಶ್ 17 years 6 months. ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
Yes. ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ.
ಮಗುನು ಆಯ್ತು 27/7/2020.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ಇಲ್ಲ
ರಿಲೀಸ್
ತಾನೆ?
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 9/9. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ.
ಸರಿ.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
53.
ಏನಿದೆ ರಾಜೇಶ್?
Respondent number 2 ಮೇಲೆ.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ರುದ್ರಪ್ಪ?
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ?
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ವಾಸ್.
ಓ 31 R&S 370. ಇದು
ಮದುವೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಇಂದ. Yes, all right. 21st. Best on 21st.
54.
Now I'll reserve this. ಮತ್ತೆ no submissions. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು IMO
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes. Reserve. 55.
55.
Lords, I appear for respondent number 2, my lords.
It's a matter where.
55 also I have heard.
Yes.
Covered and that CCB.
And on merits also, my lords, lordships, there is no completion of offense for charge under 384.
Tell me. You're ready, Sandeep Patil?
My lords, next date may be granted, my lords.
No, list on Wednesday in the fresh matters list.
I filed this.
Please, my lords.
You should be ready on that day, sir. This is going
Please,
on
my
for a
lords.
long time now. Yes.
Please, my lords.
Yes, next. Sirajuddin.
Leonard friend sees me whether I'm coming, then he sees that it's guaranteed
Correct.
that
He
it's my
wants the
matter.
opponent first, sir. Without the opponent, he will not make his submissions. Correct. No, nothing wrong. It is his style.
This matter is already been heard. I was directed to appear before the FRRO and make representation. I appeared before the
Éನಾಯ್ತು?
FRRO.
Lord, your lordship may kindly see the prayer, my lord.
FRRO ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
FRRO ಮುಂದೆ there's nothing adverse, my lord. She has appeared, my lord. On the angle of CIA angle, my lord, there's no adverse.
All right. Then what is the problem?
They can go, my lord. The prayer is that, my lord, surprisingly, the first matter where my learned friend is appearing and saying that he wants to go back. His clients wants to go back.
I want to go back to Bahrain. Bahrain, because I born there, my lord. And I may be permitted to surrender my passport.
Fact is that, my lord, mother, the petitioner's mother is an Indian.
Yes.
She goes to Bahrain. She goes to Bahrain and 1981. 1984, the petitioner is born in Bahrain. Mother, daughter, and the father, they come back to India. After coming back in the year 1987, The petitioner's passport is renewed in Bahrain in 1992.
Indian embassy or
Bahrain.
Bahrain passport?
The petitioner has got a Bahrain passport.
Okay.
Then, my lord, 2017, she gives all the fake documents and obtains an Indian passport, saying that my parents are Indians, I am an Indian and all.
Anyway, she wants to go back now.
Now she wants to go back, saying that she got to know her brother is staying in Bahrain. The averments in the petition is that they have some ancestral properties. They'll have to look after their own ancestral properties.
Bahrain.
Bahrain. Therefore, she attempted to go to Bahrain on an Indian passport from Mumbai. There she was caught saying that there's already a Bahrain passport. You are a Bahrain national. Manishas.
Right?
And therefore, she came back to this court and this petition is filed that she wants to surrender her passport. In the interim, my lord, after 26 years, she is overstaying in India.
Without
Having
any
5
document.
children.
Indian passport ittala.
Indian passport 2017.
Oh, allivargu no passport.
No passport.
How did you stay here?
I was unaware, my lord, that.
Unaware where
I
you're
know-
staying
I
now.
know that I was born there, but I am.
You're not aware that you were born there.
I know, my lord.
Ah.
I know I was born there. But
Hmm.
since my mother is an Indian, so I was residing with my mother, my lord.
Hmm.
Thereafter, I possessed the passport here.
Hmm.
After 2017 itself, I came to know that that my brother is alive there and my brother.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ you don't know about your brother.
No, my lord.
ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಹಳೆ ಮನಮೋಹನ್ ದೇಸಾಯಿ ಮೂವಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ. When there was no internet, no social media. ಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ತರ. ಹಾ?
Brother comes to India on an X2 visa and he overstays. Then he is sent back and he is blacklisted so that he does not come to India again.
No, he is not blacklisted.
It's blacklisted. I have the records.
That is why listen to him ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. He will have all the info. He will not talk about without the info.
Therefore, my lord, now, if he wants to, if the petitioner wants to go back, we have no objections, my lord. The next
Please.
flight, the next flight,
Next flight to Bahrain.
Bahrain with an affidavit, and with an affidavit, she shall not come back to India.
Yes, sir.
My mother
And-
is here,
and
my
the
lord.
one
I
more
can
thing.
come
Bahrain
by
passport.
visa.
Bahrain passport ತಗೊಂಡು visa ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ.
Yes.
In normal way. You can't say that she can't enter India.
She's overstayed for 26 years.
No, that's all right. Now she will come holding a Bahrain passport or a
If
tourist
at all,
visa.
if at all the law permits, my lord,
Law
if they,
permits,
if
that's
they,
all.
if at all
Law
we give her
permits.
the visa,
Law permit without visa how can she come? Indian
please.
passport ಇರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ.
that's wrong.
She's surrendering the Indian
I am
passport.
surrendering the Indian passport.
Where is it?
No, she's not surrendered. She's not
Where is
surrendered.
it?
She
They are
intends
not
to
ready to
surrender.
accept. That is why they
She
have
intends to
submitted.
surrender. That is the
Surrender.
prayer.
Yes, my lords. If I may be permitted, several times I attempted to surrender the passport.
Attempted to surrender ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Surrender ಮಾಡಿ.
Surrender. They are not ready to receive the
That now,
passport. I may be directed. I will surrender, my lord.
1 minute.
Lord, now the petitioner has 5 children out of the marriage. Now
All of them are going to Bahrain?
that has to be clarified.
Oh. What was 5 children fate?
I will clarify, my lord.
Ah.
This question is arising.
She got married in 2000, my lord.
You got married in 2000.
Yes.
Yes, she married to an Indian and 5 children out of it. And she'll have to clarify. No.
What's the problem there?
Absolutely nothing.
I'll get instructions regarding the children.
ಅದು ಹೇಳಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು first. What happens to your children? You're leaving them in the lurch and going?
I'll come.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್
Indian passports.
Lord, because that's true, my lord.
You are fixing yourself up in something else. ಈಗ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ?
Yes, my lord.
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಶೂರ್?
Yes. Indian.
5 children ಶೂರ್?
Yes.
2000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಶೂರ್? 2000?
Yes.
2000.
2000.
2000 she got married to an Indian.
Please,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24 years ago.
please.
You have 5 children. Then she's Indian citizen.
They're all Indian nationals. But I bought no, let him,
True,
let him
then
make.
how can you say you're holding an Indian no, she's not holding an Indian passport. No, she got married to an Indian 25 years ago.
No, my lord, when she was born in Bahrain, she came here with the parents. She's a national of Bahrain national.
She's married an Indian or what?
She,
married.
thereafter she married an Indian.
When?
2000.
2000. If she marries an Indian, you're definitely Indian.
That's true, my lord, but now she wants to go back.
Correct instruction ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
My lords,
You really want to go back, be here.
Because the story your lordship narrated that, my lord, the brother is there.
Right, my
That is
lord.
the same story.
I want to go back, my lord. She's right, because I have my ancestral property there.
So you
without me.
can't hold two passports.
No, I can't hold two passport. I am I born there in Bahrain. I may be granted. Already I have possessed the Bahrain proper passport, so I will surrender the
No,
Indian
if you had surrendered Bahrain passport, you
No,
could have
madam.
held Indian passport.
No, I have not
After
surrendered
marriage,
the Bahrain passport.
after marriage, you want Indian passport, you should surrender Bahrain passport.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have not surrendered Bahrain passport
No.
and taken Indian passport here
Yes.
on the ground of marriage. That is wrong. Now we want to go back. All right, they will not come in the way, but Indian passport will be surrendered.
Yes, my lord. So I am
Indian
ready to
passport,
surrender the Indian
Aadhar
passport.
card, PAN card, all, everything she is.
Whatever Indian you have,
Yes, my
surrender.
lord. Everything I'll surrender.
Not your husband. Your yes.
Let him come back, my lord.
I'll take it on 30th.
Oblige.
List on 30th. ಏನೇನ್ surrender ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Oblige.
Grateful.
Yes. ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಬೇಡಿ,
My
ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
lord, we'll take. Please.
Except the one I said. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೇ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೇ. ಹ್ಮ್ 30th, 2:30.
2:30.
List on 30th at 2:30. ಅರ್ಬಟಿ ಅವರೇ,
Friday, my lord.
ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ 2:30. ಮುಂದಿನ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 2:30 ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. 31st. ಅದು ಸತೀಶ್, ಇದೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಕುಮಾರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಏನು
ಏನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
List ಆಗತ್ತೆ, but it's not.
ಇದೇ ತರ. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.
Reach ಆಗತ್ತೆ, but ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
adjourn ಆಗೋ.
But bench is constituted, but different combination ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
ಆಯ್ತು
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಎಸ್ 30th, 2:30.
Senior ಇರಲ್ಲ. Grateful.
Yes, next.
Lord, covered, my lord, sub-registrar registered the deed. I am read as accused.
Respondent state.
Statement.
State or ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತನ?
Statement.
ತೇಜಸ್, ಯಾವ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಯೂಸ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. Yes, next.
39.
Lords, for the petitioner, my lords.
ಇದೇ
Sir,
ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿನಾ?
no, my lords, 17A, after retirement, they have
Stay
initiated.
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Yes, my lord. TDR matter.
This matter has to be, matter requires consideration. List on 21st September. BB Patil. ಇದು, you get ready in this matter, there is some issue to be decided in it. 17A retrospectivity. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 21st will decide it. 21st September. Yes, next.
Interim order may kindly be extended.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
Much obliged.
60.
My lord, in serial number 60.1, my lord, I have filed an IA for seeking withdrawal of.
I appear for the petitioners, my lord.
Petitioners ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
60.
ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ರಾವ್.
Yes, my lord. I appear for the petitioners.
Yes, madam.
But in 60.1,
I
they
pray
have
for 2 weeks
deposited
more.
some amount. They have deposited 20% of the amount before the trial court.
What amount?
My lord, it is a
Check
matter
amount,
pertaining to 138 of the NI Act. My lord, they have deposited 20% of the check amount before the honorable trial court.
All right.
My lord, the honorable trial court, my lord, without the permission of this honorable court, my lord, is not permitting
Permission
me to-
ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ stay ಇತ್ತಾ?
Please, my lord, 20% of the order of suspension of sentence has been stayed, subject to 20% of the deposit of check amount. Lord, 20% of fine amount has been modified.
ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್? Yes. Arrested on 30th.
My lord, that IA may be considered.
30th. ಅಯ್ಯ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Please, my lord, IA has been
The
filed. my
counsel for
lord.
the respondent submits that an application is filed seeking direction.
Withdrawal of direction.
Direction or permission to withdraw the amount Registry is directed to put up the said application on the next date of hearing, list on Friday, next.
Lord, it may be, it is not admitted, my lord, it may be listed in the admission.
Not in final hearing, under the caption hearing an interlocutory application. Yes.
Grateful.
ಇದು Friday, Wednesday will dictate.
61.
ಇದು ಇದಲ್ವಾ 498.
Oh, 376, ma'am.
Oh, promise of marriage.
I appear, my lord, your lordship.
Promise of marriage, sir.
No, it is not a promise of marriage, my lord. Initially, she had lodged a complaint, my lord. She had attended a birthday party.
Ah, yes, that.
Yes, my lord, that
Wednesday, sir.
no
Yes.
act is committed, my lord. First
Wednesday.
complaint, my lord, was only for 354. Now charge sheet, my lord, is for
376 is added
376.
later, yes. While filing the charge sheet.
Yes, my lord. 376 is added only in the charge sheet, my lord. It is not supported by any material.
Yes, yes.
There is an
Yes,
inordinate delay in lodging the complaint.
yes, sir. On Wednesday, we'll take it.
Entry
Please.
model.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
For the
Ah.
respondent number
For the
two.
first time, I'm seeing you.
No,
After a long time.
long time.
Ah,
Yes, please.
Not first time. Huh?
My lord, it may be taken up on Tuesday, my lord. So there's some
No,
inconsistency
There is
for-
not much in this case, my lord. I can summarize this in 2 to 3 minutes, what has happened.
Oh,
The matter
not-
was posted for orders.
Not much in the case.
No, my lord.
It should be allowed, is it?
No, my lord, not. Why is what I'm here to impress upon the court in 5 minutes. If the
Don't
court
worry.
please, because it
I-
was posted for orders
I
previously.
remember all the submissions.
Please, please.
My lord, it may be taken up, on-
I had reserved it. I posted it for further hearing later,
it may be taken up on
not
Tuesday.
on Tuesday, on Friday,
Please.
Yes,
please, Lord.
next Friday.
Interim
You,
orders,
you be here.
Please,
We'll take it at 4 PM.
please,
Yes.
interim order, my lord.
Interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing.
please.
This is that court employee
Yes, my lord.
hoodwinking these old people and taking money.
No, my lords, no, my lords.
ಮನೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಾನೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
I am a court employee working in the RFA branch.
No, my lord,
And,
I have entered into an agreement with
It's
them.
all right. Why,
and,
how
they
did you,
entered in-
and your wife enters into an agreement? Am I right?
My son,
Yes.
my son enters into an
son or
agreement with
wife,
the
whatever.
respondent.
8.5
ಅದೇ
crores
ತಾನೇ
transaction
assurance.
is-
My lords?
I am working in the RFA branch of the High Court of Karnataka and so assurance is given. ಅದೇ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
ಹೌದು.
He is a court employee, my lords, but there is no
4
assurance
people.
as such.
4
I'm
separate
working
them,
in the.
Age is
so and so
47 years, children 25 years, 4 ಜನ ಸೇರಿ 8.5 ಕೋಟಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ prima
Plus,
facie
there
ಇದೆ.
is accounts to show
ವಾಪಸ್
that,
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
my lords, there is accounts to show that how my son has,
It's a matter of trial, my lord.
my lords. My lords, my lords.
No other
later
ground
they
in the
enter-
case
my
for the
lords,
question.
Later they enter into an agreement with me, deed of
No,
cancellation with
The
me.
acts on this should have fallen long ago. Time ಇಲ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, sir,
We'll
they
take-
enter
we'll-
into a cancellation deed with me telling that there is no amounts as.
No problem. Next
Lord.
Friday. You'll be
Please.
here at 4 PM. We'll finish it.
Please,
Yes.
obliged to be present.
ಇದೇನು? Scanning. Machine ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಾ?
It is in the process.
Are you look into my judgment 3002 of 2024? I released it yesterday. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಅದು? ಪೇಪರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? Yes. I have laid down all guidelines, what is to be done, what not to be done. So this also should be allowed straight away now. Scanning machine ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. No, there is an interim order granted. Yes.
My lord, that the only ground on which they have seized my machine is that there is no license that I have already
Deemed.
deemed.
ಆಮೇಲೆ.
So only that allegation, my lord, this has been seized, my lord.
Deemed.
Based, my lord, that it was, application was not pending. Because he has not declared.
You have, no. You asked him to file a fresh application.
That is
After
with
that is for registration.
For KPME, my lord. This is, completely different. This is
You'll
the
ask-
PCP entity. No, even assume that, the KPME also is valid.
They're not mutually exclusive. We'll see. Yes. Well, Wednesday ತುಂಬಾ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಫ್ರೈಡೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ 31st. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ.
May I make one submission?
No, 1 minute. Yes. I call the Dharwad matters. Admission.
Matters pertaining to Dharwad bench?
Yes, Deepa madam.
Please, my lord, I appear for petitioners in this matter, my lord. The
Hmm.
petitioners are accused number 1 and 3, my lord, and the alleged offences are 323, 324, 143, 147, 148, and 149, my lord.
ಇದೇನು 5 ಕಾಲ 6 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ 6 o'clock ವರೆಗೂ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ. ಸರಿ.
And the allegation is that, my lord, accused number 1 was opposing the sacrifice of animals.
No, madam,
in the
this I
name-
can't see because in the matter that I have disposed, everything is done by accused number 1 and 3 who are not before the court is what I've observed.
Please, my lord.
Then you'll have
There
to come
are
on.
allegations against 1 to 3 is what is observed, my
No,
lord.
no, true, madam. You will have to come on merits. I can't say this
Please,
is
my lord.
covered and close it.
Please, my
Who
lord.
appears? Yes, Girija madam, ನೀವಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Please, your lordship.
You take
Respondent
notice.
number 1.
You take notice now.
It is already, your lordship. Notice ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಏನಾರ objections ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕಿ if you want to. Complainant ಯಾರು?
Complainant
It is
served
served on
100%.
Complainant was served in that also.
Please, my lord, both the petitions.
Anyway, we'll take it on the 21st September.
Please,
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
please, my lord. Grateful.
Till number 2?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Sections being A4 and A5.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ madam?
This one.
Ah,
Kindly
yes.
it may be extended and the registry may kindly be directed to supply the copy of the interim order, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೈಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವತ್ತೇ
apply
ಅಪ್ಲೈ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ,
ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್.
Kindly they may be directed.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. List on 21st. Yes, next.
Further hearing, till number 3?
Darigon.
Then Darigon?
Vacating stay ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Essential commodities.
ನೀವು
Act.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ vacating stay?
ಹೌದು. We have filed vacating stay.
Then 21st ಮಾಡೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Please.
All matters on 21st part heard ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Please.
Interim orders ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 21st September ಎಲ್ಲ. ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ 21st September. ಎಸ್. ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು? ಅದೇ ಅದು 21st September. All right.
May I make one submission?
Serial number 39, my lords, the transfer.
Serial number 8
has an
is also-
existing, my lord.
One minute. Yes, madam.
They already ಇದೆ, my lords, ಅದನ್ನ extend ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ wrongly posted before me.
Please, my lords.
Yes, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ serial number
39.
interim order stands extended till the next date of hearing.
My lord, serial number 51, my lords. I apologize, my lords. When the matter was called, I couldn't appear, my lords.
Correct. ನೀವು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
My lords, interim order may be extended, my lords.
That is done. Anything, Jagdish?
My apology.
ಅದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. No,
I have to collect it today, my lord.
No, you have to take it in accordance with ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
Originally
ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಸರಿ, whatever she will tell.
Original, since your lordship has passed an
And
order.
take an acknowledgement and stay.
My lords, my presence may be noted.
ಆಯ್ತು.
51, my lords, my presence may be noted.
ಆಯ್ತು.
My apologies.
All right.
Court officer. Court officer.
Madam.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಮಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬೆಂಚಿನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮರ್ಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. ಹಾ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 2:30ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರಂತಾರ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಬಂದ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Court officer, madam.
ಸುಯತ್ ಸರ್.
Madam, 51 ಅಲ್ಲಿ presence on note.
Dismiss ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. It's been dismissed.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್?
ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಕೇಸ್